Honor knows that, but thank you for letting me know. La señora Karina Flores Ortiz necesita intérprete.
Es la misma, nomás estoy poniendo su nombre como es en el ticket.
Entonces, okay.
Yo no sé cómo cambiar la computadora porque es mi computadora de trabajo.
O sea, no es Lady Flores, no es Lady Flores.
Sí, sí.
Es Lady Karina Flores Ortiz. Ok, gracias.
Okay.
Por favor, ponga el micrófono en silencio.
Okay, are we ready to go?
¿Estamos listos para comenzar? Señor Sergio Díaz, ¿usted necesita intérprete?
Mr. Lane.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there will be no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around and smoking of any kind, and please make probably addressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, good morning.
Buenos días, esta corte entra en sesión. Esta es la corte del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras la corte esté en sesión, por favor, asegúrese de que su pantalla, por favor, ponga su micrófono en silencio, de que su pantalla o ambiente muestre una imagen clara de usted y esté su micrófono en silencio. Debe estar debidamente sentado, derecho y quieto en un solo lugar. Si se encuentra en un vehículo, dicho vehículo no puede estar en movimiento mientras la corte esté en sesión. Tampoco se permite estar hablando, comiendo, bebiendo, masticando chicle, moviéndose de un lado a otro, ni fumando. Y por favor, en todo momento esté apropiadamente vestido para comparecer ante esta corte. Gracias. No se puede tomar, comer.
Okay, Ms. Hernandez, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will interpret from English to Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, thank you much. I want to say good morning to Mr. Berry. I want to say good morning to Ms. Winteo, Mr. Phillips, and Director Jones if she's online. And I want to start with Mr. Arthur Weiss.
Buenos días, quiero darles los buenos días al señor Berry, a la señora Buentello y al señor Phillips y también a la directora, si está por allí, y quiero empezar ahora con el señor Weiss.
Please, the court, Arthur Weiss, on behalf of Ms. Flores.
All right, does this Flores need an interpreter?
No, she does not.
All right, let's see. Is this, what's her first name?
Celeste.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Celeste Flores, case number SP 122-48911. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Arthur Weiss on behalf of Ms. Flores, who is seated to my right.
Okay. All right, today is the date and time for an arraignment on the matter. You can go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we will waive formal reading and stand mute.
All right. Your client understand that today is a community court date. There's should be an offer in her file to resolve this, which would have to deal with community court and do with some sort of community service. Is your client amenable to that? Is your client amenable to resolving that, or does your client want to fight the ticket?
Well, she's amenable to resolve it. Her situation is mainly immigration. So if the city is looking for some type of conviction that would appear on a record, that could be problematic with her application for citizenship.
It will
If
be
they're looking-
allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Will dismiss after completion of 12 hours of community service.
No objection to that, Your Honor.
All right. Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Ma'am, do you understand that a conviction for a misdemeanor offense could potentially implicate immigration issues?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have that this is a 93 day, the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, ma'am, let me draw your attention back to August the 20th, 2021 at around 1:29 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Callahan, and Lawndale. Ma'am, did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
If I may, I don't mean to interrupt. Because
hold
of
on a second.
immigration and also some civil litigation, could she just indicate that she is not contesting the charges? Would the court be satisfied with that?
The court would be satisfied with that. So essentially, well, if you want to take it under no contest plea, counselor, where your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the stop in the ticket itself.
We're not contesting that, Your Honor. For the purpose of this proceeding, we're prepared to proceed with the court's permission.
Okay, I'm going to find your client. I'm going to enter a no contest plea, which is going to be as it relates to sentencing, ma'am, the same as a guilty plea. Your client can, your counselor can explain to you the parameters of the no contest plea. I'm going to enter a no contest plea for the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That is a 93-day misdemeanor. That is a 0-point offense. And I'm going to order you to do 12 hours of community service with Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Upon completion of that 12 hours of community service, ma'am, your matter will be dismissed. Understand?
I understand, Your Honor.
Okay, let's get a date. Let's have you back on May the 18th. May the 18th at 8:25 a.m. for a review. I'm going to get you, I need you to take this number down, ma'am. 313-879-2155. That's the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. I'm going to order you to call them this afternoon to set up the community service hours. Please have those hours done before the May 18th date, and we'll be able to close it out on that date if they're done. I need a good phone number for you, ma'am, or if this is a good number for if your office is a good number for your client, I guess that'll be fine too, Counselor.
If that's okay with the court, Your Honor. Is this done administratively on the 18th? Because I just want to advise the court. Currently, I'm scheduled to start a federal healthcare fraud case in federal court on the 17th. And if case goes, I may not be available that morning of the 18th.
As long as your client has it completed, you don't need to show up.
Thank you.
All right. All right. All right. If there's nothing further, I have a phone number for your office, Counselor, at 248-855-5888.
That is correct, Judge.
And that's the number that the Southwest Detroit, they'll probably need her phone number, but they'll get that when she speaks to them this afternoon.
Thank you very much.
All right, have a great day, you and your client. If there's nothing further, that'll conclude this matter.
Appreciate the court's consideration. Thank you.
All right,
Thank you,
thank you.
Your Honor.
Your Honor, can we get her name again?
That would be Celeste Flores. CELESTEFLORES. Did you put your P number on the record, Counselor?
If I didn't, it is 25225.
Anything further?
Not on behalf of the defense. Thank you, Judge.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you, too.
All right, we can start by really getting some of these reviews out of here.
Ok, vamos a comenzar ahora para los que vienen aquí para una revisión. Señor Sergio Díaz, por favor, ponga su micrófono en silencio. Thank you.
So we have who you have there with the review, Mr. Phillips?
I have Miguel Maldonado. And his case number is 3.
I can probably look it up.
I have it right here. I'm trying, so many people. Oh, Miguel, it's SP 12433-121.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Did he complete his community service hours?
No, he did not, Your Honor. But he is here to request some extension so they can complete the hours that yes, sir.
So what are we doing calling this case then if he didn't complete it?
Oh, I was just saying he was supposed to be here for review, and I don't know if he was he had it registered for review this morning.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Miguel Maldonado, case number SP 12433-121. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Miguel Maldonado, número SP 124-33121. Su comparecencia, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Maldonado.
Elwood Berry Jr. representando al señor Maldonado.
State your name, Mr. Maldonado.
Señor Maldonado, diga su nombre.
Miguel Maldonado Jr.
Miguel Maldonado Jr.
Do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, sir.
All right, so why haven't you completed the community service hours?
Sir, you see I'm in a wheelchair, but that's got nothing. I don't have no way for here to there. I live in the neighborhood, but it's on Junction, and it's pretty far, and I'm in a wheelchair, so, and I don't have nobody to take me here, take me there. So that's, but I just need an extension so I can get this out of the way and done. That's why I'm here.
All right, so are you trying to can you get it done by May 18th, sir?
I hope so, sir. That's up to me, you know, it's the way to get around. I don't, you know, I know I can get on the bus. I can't lift this up and put it on the bus, you know, by myself. Cause I have to walk from Bernard all the way to here, you know, without the chair.
So you got to get this done. Get this over with. I'm going to set another review date. Set another review.
I'm gonna try to do all I can. The weather's been bad too, so but I'm not blaming it on the weather. I'm just saying that I need to, if you give me the time to get it done, I'll get it done. So
come back May 18th, and we'll hopefully have this closed out. All right. If it's nothing further, have a great day, sir.
You too, sir. You have a blessed day, and thank you very much.
All right.
Can you call Penguin?
What day was that?
Yeah.
May 18th.
Oh.
Is this Arlenado Bueno Garcia there?
Hay un señor Maldonado Bueno García.
Ernesto Savaz. In Cinco.
Yeah,
You there?
yes, I'm right here.
Now let's call that case. This is the city of Detroit versus Ernesto Savas in Cinco. Case number SP 131-58531. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your name, sir.
Ernesto Cuevas Enciso.
Oh, I'm sorry to mess your name up, sir.
No, that's fine.
All right, you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I had a report here saying you completed the 12 hours of community service, sir. So with that
Correct.
completion, we're going to dismiss your matter, okay?
Thank you so much, Judge.
All right, if it's nothing further, sir, good luck to you and have a great day.
Same to you. Blessed. Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I think I might have the wrong date today.
You may.
Can we get another date? My notice says today.
Who's your client?
Pascual Guzman Alvarez.
I don't know. I'll have to look it up.
Doing that now, Your Honor.
Okay. Let's continue on until you look that up. What do you have? Sergio Diaz Medina?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Sergio Diaz Medina, case number SP 125-15981. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Blossom for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Sergio Diaz Medina.
Okay, sir. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. You went above and beyond, sir. We appreciate that. And I have here that you did 14 hours of community service. I can't tell you how much I really appreciate when people go above and beyond for their community.
Yes.
So you had a improper plate that I'm going to dismiss the matter, sir.
Okay.
All right. If it's nothing further, you have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Is there a Anna Gabrielle? Well, no, that's not called that. Is there a William Gibbs?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Is there a William Gibbs? Are you there?
Yes, how you doing? Good morning, Your Honor.
I don't see you.
Can you see me now?
Well, you're supposed to come up. It's supposed to come up when you speak, but it's not doing that. So, all right, I hear you though. All right, let's get Mr. William Gibbs. This is the city of Detroit versus William Royal Gibbs. Case number SP 122-42961. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gibbs.
All right, Mr. Gibbs, you had ordered to do 12 hours of community service in exchange for a dismissal on this matter. I see you completed those 12 hours of community service. We're going to do what we said we were going to do, and we're going to dismiss the matter, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor, for giving me the opportunity.
All right, I appreciate it. Have a great day, sir. Now I can see you. You're supposed to come up when you speak, but it wasn't coming up maybe because some other people were speaking in the background, but we really appreciate that. I hope you got some gratification out of helping your community, sir.
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day.
You as well.
All right, thank you. Roberto Centino Gonzalez. Roberto Cancinos Gonzalez, you there? What about Robert Michael Harry? Okay, is Hernando Bueno Garcia there? Did I already try that? Let me mark these out.
Your Honor, we have an Alfredo Leon ready for review. He is present.
Okay, Alfredo Leon.
Señor Alfredo León.
Aquí, sí, presente.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Alfredo Leon. Case number SP124-80201. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso del señor Alfredo de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Alfredo León, número de caso SP 124-80-201. Su comparecencia, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Buenos días, su señoría. Harry Bowman representando al acusado. Señor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Alfredo León.
Thank you.
Alfredo León, gracias.
Okay, sir, I see that you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service in exchange for a dismissal of this allowing unlicensed driver to drive. I've got confirmation that you've completed those. We're going to dismiss your case, sir. We appreciate the service that you did. Thank you.
Ok, señor, ya veo que usted ha completado sus horas de servicio comunitario, por lo cual vamos a desestimar su caso del cargo enmendado de que usted permitió que alguien sin licencia manejara. Eso es todo por ahora, se puede retirar.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Que tenga un gran día, señor.
Igualmente.
Same to you.
All right, what about Chandrella London Hines?
Hi.
All right, you haven't finished your community service, sir.
No, I haven't.
What's the problem?
I waited too long, and after I waited too long, my father had gotten into a car accident, and my mother had needed to ride to the doctor. So the day I was gonna finish it, that had happened.
All right, I'm sorry to hear about that. Can you finish it by May 18th?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Chandrella London Hines. Junior, case number SP 125-02481. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Hines.
All right, Mr. Hines, I'm gonna give you till May the 18th to complete this community service. I hope you do it, sir. I want to see you get this dismissal. All right, you only got 6 more hours to go. All right.
Thank you.
All right, you have the number over there, right?
Yes, sir.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right. All right, what about Juan? Hold on, you got to be quiet. Mr. Goss, I think that's you're not muted.
Can't stop.
All right, let's move on to Selvin Diego Lopez Thomas here. Is
Presenting.
He's that's him.
Señor Selvin. Selvin Lopez.
Sí.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Well, this is the city of Detroit versus Selvin Diego Lopez Thomas, case number SP 122060043. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso del señor Selvin Diego López Thomas, número de caso SP 122060043. Comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Good morning. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Matter set for review.
Buenos días, yo soy el señor Botman y estoy representando al acusado, quien está aquí para una revisión.
All right, Mr. Lopez Thomas, you are ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see you've completed those 12 hours of community service. We are going to dismiss your matter.
Ok, señor López Thomas, veo que usted ya ha completado las horas de servicio comunitario que se le habían asignado, por lo tanto su caso queda desestimado.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a great day, sir.
Gracias a usted, señor, que tenga buen día.
Igualmente, buen día.
Same to you. Have a good day.
All right.
Puede retirarse.
This is Gomez Cloas Lopez.
Gómez López.
It's Gomez Elosa, Gomez Elosa Lopez.
Gómez Elosa López. ¿Está por allí?
It's Juan Huerto Armas.
Juan Roberto Ames.
Right. What about Diego Bernardino Martin Ramirez?
¿Qué tal el señor Diego Martín Ramírez?
Así es. Buen día.
I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. He's gone way over and above. So
hizo mucho más.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Diego Martin Ramirez. Case numbers SP 124-68231 and SP 124-70231. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay, este es el caso del señor Diego Martín Ramírez, los números de la ciudad de Detroit contra este señor, números SP 124-68231 y SP 124-70231. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry, Jr., on behalf of Mr. Martin Ramirez.
Mi nombre es Edwood Berry Jr., representando al señor Martin.
Okay, sir. You were ordered to do 18 hours of community service. You've done 20 hours of community service. We really like the fact that you go above and beyond when asked to do that community service. So for that, we're going to close the first matter out, the SP 124-68231, and we're going to dismiss the other matter, the SP 124-70231. We appreciate that service, sir. There's nothing further. If you don't have any questions, you have a very good day.
Okay, señor, usted se le exigió que hiciera, se le ordenó que hiciera 18 horas de servicio comunitario y fue mucho más allá y hizo 20 horas, lo cual le agradecemos enormemente. Por lo tanto, el caso SP 124-68231 se va a ser cerrado y se va a desestimar el caso 124-70231. Con esto concluye hoy. Si no tiene ninguna pregunta, puede retirarse.
Ok, gracias, es todo. Gracias.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. That's all. Have a good day.
You have a better one. Thank you.
Señor, igualmente. Hasta luego.
Gracias, feliz día. Bueno.
Your Honor, we also have Selvin Lopez, who is present, and Mr. Jose Maldonado, the older gentleman, under Susana Maldonado.
Yeah, I'm about to call Jose Maldonado now.
Fantastic,
Okay.
Your Honor.
All right, this is the
Vamos
city
a
of
llamar el
Detroit
caso del señor José Maldonado.
versus, this is the city of Detroit versus Jose Maldonado. Case numbers SP 124-51801, SP 124-51962. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor José Maldonado, casos SP 124-51801 y SP 124-51962. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Buenos días.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant.
Buenos días, su señoría. Harry Bachman representando al acusado.
Sir, please state your name.
Señor, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
José Maldonado.
Thank you.
José Maldonado, gracias.
Okay, sir, I see you were ordered to do 18 hours of community service. I see you've completed those 18 hours of community service, so we're going to dismiss SP 124-51801, and we're going to close out SP 124-51962. If it's nothing further, sir, we certainly appreciate the service.
Señor, entonces veo que usted hizo las 18 horas que le habían ordenado, por lo tanto vamos a desestimar el caso SP 124-51801 y vamos a cerrar el caso SP 124-51962. Si no hay nada más que decir, concluye esta sesión, se puede retirar.
Muchas gracias, te lo agradezco.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Ok, señor, que tenga un excelente día.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Igualmente.
Same to you.
All right. Let's, who else do we have, Ms. Buenteo?
We have Selvin, Selvin Lopez.
We have
already called him.
We already
called
did
him?
that.
Okay,
Yes.
let's see who else we got there.
You have Pablo de la Flor?
Did you?
Pablo de la Flor?
Sí.
Yes, I'm here.
I'm looking for Arnaldo Bueno Garcia.
Yes,
sir, I'm here.
You're here?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's call the case. Y'all have to be quiet, please.
Tienen que tener su micrófono en silencio hasta que los llamen.
This is the city of Detroit versus Arnaldo Bueno Garcia, case number SP 130-48031. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Bueno Garcia, can you announce your name, please?
Yes, Arnoldo Bueno Garcia.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Garcia, you were ordered to do, good morning to you. You were ordered
Good morning,
to do
sir.
8 hours of community service. I see you've completed that 8 hours of community service. For that, we're going to close that case out, okay? We appreciate the service that you provided.
Thank you, sir.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
You as well. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
We
Is
have
there
a Daryl.
Michael, is there Robert Michael Harry? Is there a Robert Michael Harry? What about Roberto Centino Gonzalez?
¿Qué tal Roberto Centeno González? ¿Está por ahí?
What about well, Ana Gabriela Garcia's Nava? I see her on here.
I'm here.
You've done nothing, ma'am.
I was telling the lady from the community service that I couldn't do it because I didn't have no babysitter for my child, and it was because of work too.
Is there something you can help her with the babysitting? Ms.
Your Honor,
Wintail?
Your Honor, she waited a really long time and I did reach out to her several times, but we're willing to work with her. We make accommodations and I let her know that it would have behooved her to call me sooner when she realized she had issues so that we could take care of them. But we are willing to make accommodations so that she can complete these hours.
All right, ma'am, I'm gonna, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Anna Gabriela Garcia Nava. Case number SP 124-36751. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Garcia Nava. State your name.
Anna Garcia Nava.
All right, Miss, I'm gonna give you till May 18th to get this completed, all right?
Okay.
If you don't get it done, you heard her, you gotta get in contact with them this afternoon. They can help you with the accommodations, all right?
Okay.
Yes.
I noticed we have a Brian Del Pino, Your Honor, and a
Hold on
Daryl
one second,
Martin.
Miss. Hold on one second, Miss Wintail. Let me write this down. 124-36751. All right, I'm going to give you till May 18th to complete. We're going to set another review date. Have it done by then, ma'am, so you can get this case dismissed.
Okay, I will.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
Your Honor, this is Mrs. Hernandez. I have to go to the other courtroom and I will be back as soon as I can. And Mrs. Villarreal will sign in as soon as she can too, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Right.
Bye-bye.
All right.
I'll be back.
So we need, is it Robert Michael Harry here?
Honor, allow me to interrupt, forgive me. I sent a chat to Mr. Bermudez as well as to your attention, Your Honor. Apparently, his client has a pretrial set for today in a matter that appears to be closed. There's some notes on the ROA which indicate he's supposed to bring back compliance paperwork on this date. As well, the defendant has a show cause set for August 23rd in a companion case.
Mr. Bermudez, are you there?
I am, Your Honor. Good morning. How you doing today?
Very well. What's your client's name?
Pascual Guzman Alvarez. And Mr. Boffman is absolutely right. He's doing double duty here.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. Can we just set this one for August 23rd?
Well, I don't know yet. Hold on. Let's see. I don't see him on where is he on the docket?
I'm afraid I don't see him on the docket either, Your Honor.
Page 3, under 835.
All right.
Guzman, oh, thank you. Does he need an interpreter?
No.
Is he here?
He's here with me, or actually I'm with him. I came to his shop today because I've got to get out to Livonia pretty soon.
This is the city of Detroit versus Pascual Guzman Alvarez. Case numbers V11063719 and V11068721. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Moises Bermudez on behalf of Pascual Guzman Alvarez, who's on Zoom, and we consent to these proceedings on Zoom. Please state your name.
Pascual Guzman Alvarez.
All right, let's see what's going on here.
Can I bring you up to date, Your Honor? We're crawling along with the City of Detroit inspection. Our architect was holding everything up. He's finally got his work done. I'm having trouble getting the inspectors together. I'm going to start emailing them a little more. On the other side, on the blight tickets, which are the same thing, they decided to give us a year as long as we don't operate auto repair. So we've discontinued the auto repair. And the big issue is that it used to be a manufacturing plant, and we want to manufacture furniture. The big hiccup is the sprinkler system, which we're working on it, but it's a substantial investment. So the fire marshal, we're trying to figure out how we can coincide and live. It's a $100,000 investment. So when's he going to get that money back? So that's where we're at. We're working on it. If we could have the court's indulgence, a little more patience, that's what we're asking for.
Well, we've been very patient. Let's see here. Had I not been doing this job, he could have hired me for the sprinkler system. I'm a journeyman pipe fitter, sprinkler filler, and gas fitter, and all that. But
wow, the Perkins family's got everybody in their family, because the other brother does mechanics, and
yeah,
what else does he do?
The one does T-shirts, and
that.
Yeah, but
he's also a mechanic.
Yep. So let's see here. I don't see what the disposition is supposed to be for this one case, disposed on guilty plea. Okay, so we're going to close out the V1106371 and dismiss that case. And then you said a pretrial for the other case in how much time?
Well, that one is set for August 23rd. We should be done by then.
Let's set a pretrial for August 23rd.
On which ticket?
On V1106871. The other ticket's going to be dismissed. Pretrial is at 8:30 a.m.
On August 23rd.
Yes.
Wonderful.
All right. If it's nothing further, have a very good day, Mr. Bermudez, and your client.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate you very much.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right. Let's move on. So we'll just start on our list. Let me get, what's this Deontay Lane? Where are you, sir?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Were you supposed to do some community service or what?
No, you didn't give me community service.
What do you have?
I currently went down to the 36th district to pay. You had told me to pay. She said, like, you only told me to pay one ticket. And I was just trying to make sure that was the ticket because it was $240. She told me don't pay nothing until I talk to you.
Who said this?
At the 36 at the desk yesterday.
What's your middle name?
Deontay Lane.
What's your middle name?
William.
You got a whole lot of tickets up here to pay, sir.
Yeah, Your Honor, you had told me, I told her what you told me. You told me to pay the reinstatement fees, and that was it. But she was saying you didn't say that. But that's what you told me, that I had 13 reinstatement fees. You told me that's the only thing stopping me from getting my license. But she said I don't have any suspensions. So she was
what?
Yeah, she was like, just make sure he wants you to pay them fees or just pay this ticket.
No. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Deontay William Lane. I don't have the benefit of seeing the file that Hold on a second. Who's that talking? Let's call the case 20. You need to get an ink pen out, sir.
Okay. Okay. One second. Yeah, Judge, you had told me just to pay that's the last time you talked to me, you said pay the reinstatement fees. I got 13 of them. And I was gonna pay the $585 yesterday. And
Well,
you just
paid it.
She told me just talk to you first because it was saying just pay one ticket.
I don't know who she is.
At the front desk, of 36th
let's get this together today.
Okay.
So we can, you got an ink pen on you?
I'm looking for one right now. One second, Your Honor. 1 second. Let me see your phone. Oh my God, man. Okay, yes, Your Honor. I got something to write it down.
All right, let's start with did you get a driver's license?
You just told me, Your Honor, you said just pay that. You said you will worry about the other tickets later. You said
let's worry about it all now. Take these numbers down. This is the city of Detroit versus Deontay William Lane. Case numbers SP 11566-981. Count that's SP 11566-98 counts 1 and counts 2. You got to write these down. These are all the things you have to pay. SP 1156700 counts 1 and counts 2. 207.
SP 1167.
No, 1156700 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1156698 counts 1 and counts 2. And 207-03422 counts 1 and counts 2. Those are all that you have to pay. And I'm not even gonna set a review date in here. I'm just gonna let you take care of that on your own. If you don't get it paid, they're saving you all this money on these reinstatement fees apparently, because they're not collecting those monies. But if you don't get it paid, then you're gonna be back in the same boat. Other than that,
Your Honor, I just wanted you to read that. I just want to make sure I got them numbers right.
All right, I'm gonna read them one more time.
Okay.
207-03422, count 1 and count 2. SP 1156698 counts 1 and count 2. And SP 1156700 counts 1 and counts 2. You got them, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll give you a pay by date. We'll put it in there for when are you gonna have it paid? Let's ask you that.
I currently I was supposed to go down there today, Judge. I was gonna pay. I'm glad I didn't pay the driver's responsibility fee, but I got the $585 right now.
All right. Well, I'm gonna just put a pay by date on there for May the 27th. 2022. All right.
Okay. So when I get down to the court, will it be in the computer, or I would just have to give her the number?
Already in the computer.
Okay. I'm leaving out right now. I just got off work, man.
Have a great
Your
day,
Honor.
sir.
Your Honor.
All right. Bye-bye.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. Gotta go.
All right. Let's move on.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Can you allow me to ask you a question? My friend, he's been waiting for his case. They changed his day of the hearing trial, and he's waiting here since 8:30.
All right. Everybody's been waiting since 8:30. Your friend Jesus, I have him down. I have him listed in the order that he came in. So it's gonna be a while, and then we're gonna wait on we gotta wait on the interpreter to come back. So anybody that needs an interpreter, they're gonna have to wait.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. What about O'Brien?
Hey, Your Honor.
Is that Richard O'Brien?
Yes, Richard O'Brien's.
All right,
Your Honor.
Let's see what you have. Is that Richard Henry?
Richard Henry Clark O'Brien.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Richard Henry Clark O'Brien. Case numbers SP 132295551 and SX 3732576. Count 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, please announce your name to the court.
Richard O'Brien.
Thank you. Good morning.
Morning.
All right, Mr. O'Brien, I'm gonna dismiss one of the cases because he paid a related civil infraction. That would be SX 373257661. I'm gonna dismiss paid related civil infraction. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You're going to be responsible to pay the reinstatement fee, sir. Ask for SP 132295551. As these tickets come out of Southwest Detroit?
Yes, but I only got one ticket, and it was for no insurance, and I took care of it, all that. That's all. That's what my thing says right here.
Well, you can't take care of that on a no insurance misdemeanor. Do you have insurance on the vehicle, sir?
Yes, I have insurance on the vehicle. It was actually my grandfather's vehicle. He passed away.
Slow down, please.
Okay.
Do you have proof of that insurance?
Yes, right here, sir.
All right, let's see what you got. I can't really see that too much. Why don't you flip the camera over and see if you can get us a better look?
Let's see. Let's see if I get some better lighting.
Hey, Larry.
Can you see it now?
Turn it on. You got it. Turn facing to the side. See if you can turn the paper.
Okay. Let's see. How do I switch the camera around? Oh, there we go.
All right. That is document.
Sorry about that. It keeps flipping down.
O'Brien, that's on a 15 GMC Terrain, 7570. All right, let me see what this is. All right, I'm going to dismiss both the matters, sir. You're going to owe a reinstatement fee of $45. But dismiss the other one. You provided valid documentation. All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day, sir.
Where quick question, sir.
Yeah.
Where do I pay that at? Just
you could pay that online. You could pay that. Don't pay it online. You could pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. You can download the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay that $45. But give my clerk some hours before we can get that into the system. Maybe tomorrow morning. All right.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Have a great day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. All right, Brian Villa. Brian Villa.
Yes.
All right. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What's your V-I-L-L-A, right? Is the last name B-R-I-A-N?
Yes, sir.
You set for review, Your Honor, on page 1.
Oh, it is set for review? All right, this is the city of Detroit. That's Pino, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Brian Villa Pino. Case numbers SP 1240835, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffin for the defendant, sir. State your name for the record, please. Mr. Pino, state your name.
Oh, sorry. My name is Brian Villapino.
All right. Mr. Pino, you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see you completed those 12 hours of community service. With that, I'm going to, well, let me see what you got here. Do you have a driver's license, sir?
No, we talked about this the last time I had court that I can't get it until October 15.
All right. And why is that?
Because of 1 or 2 million violations. I went again to go try retaking it. I passed it, but they told me I can't get it until October 15, 2022.
Was it related to any of these violations?
Yes, it was.
All right. Well, it appears that you probably can go re-engage them in a couple of days. I'm going to dismiss both of these matters because you completed community service. All right.
Okay.
So I would wait about 48 to 72 hours and try to re-engage the Secretary of State.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a great day.
All right. Thank you so much. You as well.
You do. Is Jamal Nixon here?
Yes.
Where are you, sir?
I'm here.
You have done only 7 hours.
Actually, yeah.
I see you're on some kind of breathing machine now.
Yeah, I've been on oxygen, but I had a little incident, at the on my community service.
You had what?
Incident place I was doing my community service. I unloaded a truck and my breathing started messing with me down. And he said I had to ask for to take a break, but I couldn't breathe. He got kind of mad. I took a break till I couldn't breathe. Till I unloaded the truck, and he basically kicked me out. So I was trying to argue with him.
Mr. Nixon.
Yes.
Yep, you coming in here with this dope. You're getting kicked out of community service. Now you got your oxygen on. How you feeling now?
I'm feeling all right.
Were you on oxygen all the whole time we've seen each other?
Oxygen since 2017.
Mr. Phillips, can you get him someplace else to go?
Yeah, I can, Your Honor. I even spoke to him about that, and that was on the day of this incident that he's speaking of. But I've been trying to contact him. No answer to the phone. So, but we do have something that he can do.
He can't do too much. Are you willing to complete this stuff, Mr. Nixon?
Yes, I'm willing, but it was just
all right, let's not even go there. Let's just get you someplace else.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jamal Mustafa Nixon. Case numbers SP 1238852, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Nixon, Your Honor.
All right. All right. You got 7 hours done. You got what 53 more hours to do. So, Mr. Let's give him back on.
I actually did 5 more hours that day. He put me out.
See if you can get his credit for his 5 hours that he did that day. Let's have him back on July the 6th. That should give you enough time.
It wasn't like I wasn't trying to do it. You know.
I didn't say that. You're talking too much now.
No, I'm just letting you know it was basically.
I listen. You gave me an explanation. I don't know what happened over there, but I didn't know you were on a breathing machine either. I've never seen you on the breathing machine before. But let's move past that, Mr. Phillips. You see what his condition is. Let's see if we can get him something that won't aggravate his condition. That's the most important thing. All right, yeah. July the 6th, 2022, 8:25 review. All right.
Thank you.
All right, I'll have a great day, Mr. Nixon.
You too.
All right. All right. Ronnie Dixon. Is there a Ronnie Dixon? You have to unmute yourself if you're out there. We still don't have an interpreter back yet, right?
Correct.
All right. Let's keep moving on. Thomas Johnson.
It's actually Victoria Gay. It's under my son's Zoom.
Right. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
You say Victoria Gay?
Yes.
Well, you got a whole lot of tickets.
I know.
Do you want to do community service, ma'am?
Sure.
Are you in Southwest Detroit?
No.
All right. I will allow you to do community service. We'd have to get you with, can you make it to Southwest Detroit?
Yes.
All right. So you want to join the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center program so you can get your maybe fines and costs dismissed or reduced and get you a good deal here. Do we have an offer in Ms. Gay's file? All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Victoria Nicole Gay, case number SP996505, counts 1, 2, and 3. (18-479951) counts 1, 2, and 3. 19-5029-301, and let's go 19-50. We'll strike that. We'll strike that. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Gay. State your full name, Ms. Gay.
Victoria Nicole Gay.
How old are you, Ms. Gay?
41.
41. So what's happened in the last couple of years?
Nothing.
Well, why have you ever had a driver's license before?
No.
Oh, that's what's happened.
Your Honor.
All right. All right. So do we have an offer for Ms. Gay?
Your Honor, no. Can you hear me?
Yes. Put your appearance
Okay.
on the record, please.
May it please the Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162 on behalf of the people. Your Honor, it would be 1, allowing, and 2, improper plates, and dismiss the other 4.
So that's going to be 12-24. That's going to be 36 hours of community service, ma'am. You won't have a misdemeanor record as it relates to this. And then if you want to clear up that disregard and a red signal, I will throw on top of that another, if you give me 40 hours of community service, we'll close everything out.
Okay.
You want to take that deal, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, you sure you're going to be able to make it over there at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes.
I need a good phone number from you, ma'am, please.
313.
All right.
686-9668.
All right, you need to write this number down for the Community Justice Center. 313-879-2155.
And it's called who?
It's called the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. You give them a call this afternoon, they'll set you up with the community service. It's a very good deal. You won't have a misdemeanor record, and you'll be able to put this stuff behind you. All right. With that being said,
Your Honor, how long do I have for the community to complete the community service?
How long do you need?
What time? I do traveling certified nursing assistant work, and I go back to work May 17th in California.
Well, you better get working.
Okay.
I don't see how you do travel and nursing something and you don't even have a driver's license, but that's
because I don't have to drive, sir. They provide.
All right. I don't know. I wasn't gonna ask about that, but I was just wondering.
Yeah, they provide transportation.
All right. I bet they do. They need some nurses bad, don't they?
Absolutely.
Paying you big time money. Right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you can't lie about that. All right. Let's go. You want to take the deal, ma'am? Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down, ma'am. Ma'am, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, ma'am, let me draw your attention back to May the 25th, 2019, at around 1:16 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Greenfield and Plymouth, ma'am. Do you recall being pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day?
No.
Uh-oh. Well, I don't know if you're going to remember this one then. If you don't recall pulled over by a Detroit police officer on May 25th, 2019, you were allegedly operating a 2005 Kia in the area of Greenfield in Plymouth, officer named Christina Towns. You don't recall that?
Yes, I do. Yes.
Very well. All right. And you were operating that 2005 Kia, is that correct?
Correct.
And you were asked to produce a valid driver's license, was that correct?
Correct.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
Why is that?
Because I didn't have any.
All right. In that 2005 Kia, ma'am, were you asked to produce valid insurance on that vehicle?
Yes.
And you couldn't do that either, could you?
No.
And why is that?
Because it wasn't my vehicle.
And you don't know if the vehicle was insured. You couldn't produce any insurance, could you?
No.
All right. And did you come to know that the plates were bad on that vehicle, ma'am?
No.
You never learned that the plates were bad?
No.
That they weren't up to date?
Not until I got pulled over.
Right. You learned that
that day
when you got pulled over, right? That the plates were expired on that vehicle?
Correct.
All right. And you were operating that vehicle at that time, correct?
Yes.
You satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive for the driving while license suspended. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of improper plates for the no insurance misdemeanor, and I'm going to find you guilty of the improper plates, amended count of improper plates for the no registration on the vehicle, all of which will be dismissed upon completion of the 40 hours community service. All right, so you need to get over there quickly. And you said, what date are you going to be leaving out of town?
I leave May 17th.
You leave May 17th.
Yes.
So we're going to have you back on May 11th.
Okay.
For a review. You got to keep in mind, ma'am, you're under my jurisdiction now, and I control whether you leave out of town or not.
Okay.
All right. So I want you to get this stuff completed so we don't have any issue about, we can close this out. You'll no longer be under my jurisdiction and you can go where you want to. But if they're not completed, then we're going to be discussing about that going out of town on May 17th. All right.
Okay.
All right. So you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Get contact with them this afternoon. I'm going to set it for a review on May 11th. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day, man.
You too.
All right. What about Ronnie Dixon? All right. What about Octavia Gordon?
Your Honor, are you
Yeah.
still
I'm back.
doing reviews?
Varney?
Yes, sir. I was scheduled for a review today.
You didn't complete your community service, so what are you waiting? What are you talking about?
Oh, I didn't know. I apologize, sir.
You knew you didn't complete it, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
All right, so what are you trying to get in? You wait until I call your name then.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not gonna give you the benefit of jumping the line and you haven't even completed what you're supposed to complete.
Yes, sir.
What about Octavia Gordon? Is Octavia Gordon here?
I'm here.
All right, good afternoon. Good morning, ma'am.
Good day.
Good day. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Octavia Tamiki Gordon. Did I get that right?
It's Tamika.
Tamika?
Mm-hmm.
All right, case number SP4292211. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant will waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint and stand mute. Thank you.
All right, I'll give you an option, ma'am. It appears you only have this one charge. I'll give you an option of either going to trial on it, is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, or paying it and dismissing it to 12 hours of community service and dismissing it upon completion of the 12 hours of community service. I'm gonna let you speak to Mr. Baughman in a breakout room. You live the last person lived on my aunt's block on Robson, and then you live a block over from my cousins they live on Dean. But anyway, you speak to Mr. Baughman in a breakout room regarding this this matter, and you can come out and tell me what you want to do after you speak with them.
Okay.
Let's see, where is Baughman? Join the room, please. Did they join the room? Yeah, they didn't. All right, trial. All right, let's move on. Lewis Kanina.
Yeah,
Kanini?
Kanani.
Kanani, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
All right. Can you do community service, ma'am?
Do I have the option of just paying?
You do, because you're here with me anyway.
Okay.
I could really just set there another. Let's see what she's got. Oh, you got a lot of stuff going on too. Let's just rein her and get her another date.
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Kanani Ashanti Lewis, case number SP 105-1383, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. SP 111-15998-1, 207-12227, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., P28880, on behalf of Ms. Lewis. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
I'm Ashanti Lewis.
Your Honor,
Go ahead.
waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, we're going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give her a $0 bond. Pre-trial date. I don't want a pre-trial date for Miss Mathis. Can I get another pre-trial date aside from Wednesday so that I can send the people that come to me that don't want to participate in community court?
Okay, so you want something other than?
Any day other than a Wednesday.
Any day other than a Wednesday, okay.
What I'm going to do for your client is I'm going to allow her to pay the reinstatement fees up front. So while she's waiting, she can potentially go get a driver's license. I have down here that you owe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reinstatement fees, ma'am.
Your Honor, this is Madam Clerk.
Yes.
You can use July the 7th.
July the 7th, pre-trial.
Which is a Thursday.
July the 7th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to explain to you, ma'am, you have reinstatement fees that are preventing you from getting clearances down here at 36th District Court. I don't know if you have any other tickets in any other jurisdictions, but these will definitely block you from getting a driver's license. If you choose, that's up to you. You can pay these reinstatement fees up front. That's going to require you to make a trip down to the court. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reinstatement fees at $45 a piece. That's $270. You need to come down to the court if you want to see if you can get a license, pay those reinstatement fees up front, and then come back in here on July the 7th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Right?
Okay, Your Honor.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so that's going to be up to you, but you're going to have to come down and you're going to tell if you choose to come down and tell the clerk that you are allowed to pay the reinstatement fees up front.
Okay.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you. You as well.
You as well. Okay, let's move on to what about Ronnie Dixon? Did Ronnie Dixon ever show back up? I guess he's gone.
We have Daryl Varney for a review, Your Honor.
Yeah, but Daryl Varney hasn't even completed what he's supposed to complete.
That is correct, Your Honor.
So I'm just going in order of how they came in. What about Robert? What about Robert? I did Lumpkin. What about Robert Lumpkin?
Yeah, right here, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lumpkin, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Are you willing to do some community service, sir?
Community service. I was hoping to get my case thrown out because I don't have the animals anymore.
Well, that's probably not going to happen just that easy.
Yikes.
But we'll see. Let's see what you got.
Okay.
See what you have here. That's really gonna be on you and the city attorney and your lawyer here, which you got some very good lawyers. If anybody can do it, I'm confident that they can, but I won't make any guarantees.
Yeah, I'm really hoping that
I'm sure they're never gonna make any guarantees. Except for the fact that they're gonna work hard on your behalf. Sure they can guarantee that, but
yeah, I'm hoping that happened because everybody walked out on me. My old lady walked out on me. The dog, she took her dog with her, the dog that caused the whole scene. Then we paid the people next door. They moved. We paid them for the dog. So, and then
everybody walked out on you, huh?
Yeah, everybody. Well, I'm at home alone now.
Oh,
I'm really just trying to get this matter dismissed and be done with it.
I hear you. I would be too. This is now what I'd say. Is it Ronnie Lumpkin?
Robert
Lumpkin.
Yes.
Lumpkin.
Correct, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't see a Robert Lumpkin.
Well, I don't know. Well, I have your name. I have your name down here, and it's supposed to be a Way Stevens.
ROBERT.
Yep. George
LUMPKIN, right?
Correct, sir.
Give me the ticket number.
V123-23921 OM. And I have a Way Stevens that's supposed to be their officer. He the one gave it to me. It was the dog catcher or whatever it was.
Is this the only ticket that you got?
Yeah, they gave me two of them, but they're the same tickets.
Same ticket numbers?
Yeah, no, this one has a different number. V1.
Hold on one second.
Okay. Yeah, this one does have a different number.
What's the other number?
V123-23821. One says FL, the fifth says FL vac dog, and the other one says no dog license.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Robert George Lumpkin Jr. V123-23921, V123-23821. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman. I'm sorry, Mr. Berry. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Mr. Lumpkin, announce your name for the court, thanks.
Robert Lumpkin Jr.
Thank you.
I don't know why his name is not coming up when I put it in.
I have it.
Do you have it?
I do. I have, I have this whole complete printout. So these matters
it's coming up now. It's coming up now. Wait a minute. Let's also cause V123-23721. So you got 3 tickets.
Actually, I only have 2 in my possession at the moment.
All right. Well, you got 3 on here.
What's the
Mr. Goss, are you there?
Your Honor, may I ask what's the third one?
It's dog at large. So you got dog at large, failure to vaccinate, and no dog license. Really, the 2 go hand in hand, the failure to vaccinate and the no dog license, because if you haven't vaccinated, you're not going to get a dog license. And then the dog at large, meaning it was out somewhere. Mr. Goss, are you there?
No, Judge, he's not available.
Wow.
He's not available, meaning he's not in the court, or let me see if I can get it. He's not in the whatchamacallit, or did he say
he's not in this courtroom. He may be in the other that he works in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, let's pass the matter. Is there an offer in the file?
Speaking to me, Judge, or you?
Yeah, if we want, we
What's the
can get
defendant's name one more time, Your Honor?
Lumpkin. We can get him, Robert Lumpkin. We can get you a pretrial date and have you back. He's on his way down to the courtroom, so let's pass the matter until he gets here. And let's go back on the record, Mr. Who are we waiting on?
Oh, Your Honor, I'm waiting on an offer for Miss Gordon, Octavia Gordon.
Does she want a trial date?
No.
Well, why doesn't she take a trial date? The
I
offer's going to be the 12 hours of community service.
Right. She's unable to or unwilling to do that. She wants to resolve the matter today. I informed her completely of the prosecutor's burden and, my sentiment with regard to these type of cases,
I'll take care of that.
Yeah, she just wants to plead and pay. Would the court do a 12-month delayed sentence or 9 months?
Let's go back on the record with Miss Octavia Tamika Gordon. Miss Gordon, come back on July the 5th, 2022 at 9 a.m. for a trial, all right?
Okay.
All right, anything further, ma'am?
No.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Trial is July the 5th, Your Honor?
July the 5th, yes, 2022, 9 a.m. All right. Let's move on. Let's pass Lumpkin's matter until we get the city attorney in here. And let's go with Livingston. Where is Livingston? David Livingston?
Right here.
All right. Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Let's see what you got going on. Is he on the docket today?
I suppose should be.
Are you willing to do community service, sir?
On 2006 ticket or 2009 ticket?
Let me see here.
Your Honor, you're looking for.
All right, this is the city of, hold on, let's say, 1 second. This is the city of Detroit versus David Troy Livingston.
Yes.
All right. Case number 16-237-5531. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Livingston. State your name, Mr. Livingston.
David Livingston.
And we're going to set him a trial date for the same day, July 5th, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right, sir?
Thank you.
Have a great day. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Robert Lumpkin.
Okay, Your Honor.
Mr. Goss, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Dante Goss on behalf of the people.
Now, Mr. Lumpkin is in here. The man said that he lost his woman is gone. She took the dog and everything and left him with these tickets, and the neighbor cut out on him and everything.
And I paid for the dog that the dog killed. So.
Oh, you got a dog that
trying to
killed
get everything
another dog?
dismissed. Huh?
You got the dog that killed another dog?
No, yeah, he killed the dog, and then
I think you should be quiet.
Oh, me?
Yes.
Okay.
You already talked too much already.
Yikes.
And
well,
so,
just being honest, Your Honor.
but this is not the time and place. Is a time and place for all that stuff, but right now is procedurally that wasn't the time and place to say that.
I apologize.
Mr. Goss.
Is he on the docket for today?
No.
He's not on the, I don't see him on the docket for today. I don't know how he got in here, but let's see what his ticket says.
Right. Do we have his file?
No.
I'm about to pull it up.
We would have to run his name to see what is.
I'm about to run it right now.
It says show cause.
Let's see what it says. Scheduled for show cause hearing on 9/27/2022. Whoa, let's give him a pretrial date. We're gonna give him a pretrial date. Don't come in here telling anybody your dog got killed, that killed somebody else, sir. Another dog. You certainly won't win like that.
I apologize, but I was just being honest, Your Honor.
I told you,
it wasn't my dog, it was her dog.
Listen, sir, please stop talking.
Okay.
Let your lawyer do the talking for you.
Okay, Your Honor.
You go confess all that to him. Say that again.
What date was his show call scheduled for?
He's scheduled for September the 27th.
Thank you.
I should be on vacation somewhere on that time. he's in here. You know something? You know what it is?
Arraignment today at 8:30.
It's scheduled for arraignment today?
At 8:30, according to the ROA.
Where is it?
Not on the docket.
Right, it's not on the docket, but the ROA, according to the case number, 162375531.
Yeah, I see this one was scheduled for arraignment on the 3/17. But anyway, let's give him a pretrial date on all three of these matters. And he's gonna need to talk to a lawyer. All right. I have the pretrial date for 7/6, but I think that is our community court date. Can we get another pretrial date on 7/5 or 7/7, Ms. Mathis?
7/7 would be a better day for you.
7/7/2022 at 8:30 a.m. All right, sir. I can't tell you what to do, but I can tell you absolutely if you come in here telling the dog killed another dog, I don't care whose dog it is, they're not going to be happy with that. All right.
Wow.
Yeah. All right. You got the date?
They're gonna send me one in the mail too. As
I wouldn't rely on the mail. I would just take the date down now, July the 7th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Same way, Zoom.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right. Gene Kennedy. Where's Gene Kennedy?
You may need to unmute yourself.
Yeah, they need to unmute themselves.
Right here, Your Honor.
All right. Is that just G-E-N-E Kennedy?
Yeah.
All right. You willing to do community service, sir?
Yes.
All right, let's get them done. This is the city of Detroit. Let me get your date of birth, please.
10/1973.
I'm October too. This is city of Detroit versus Gene Kennedy, case numbers SP 1234255, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Odell Sperry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Kennedy.
Do you have a driver's license, sir?
No.
You said no?
No.
What about insurance?
It wasn't my vehicle. I was working on the vehicle, so I didn't know that the vehicle didn't have insurance.
All right, here we go. What's the offer for Mr. Kennedy? Looks like allowing 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Will dismiss the other matters today, and will dismiss the allowing upon completion of the 12 hours of community service. How about that?
Okay.
You can handle that?
I think I can handle that.
That's a good deal, sir. A good deal. allowing. All right. Can you raise your right hand, Mr. Kennedy, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to August the 11th, 2021 at around 9:18 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Mack and Neff. You're on the east side, sir?
Yes.
Do you understand that the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center is in Southwest Detroit?
Yeah, I've been hearing that all morning, yes, but I don't know what it's
Will
at.
you have a problem getting over there, getting that service done?
I shouldn't have.
Yeah, it's only a day and a half worth of work, so it's
Okay.
still a very good deal. I used to live off Mack and Neff. Well, not Neff. I used to live off Mack and Somerset. But anyway, so on that date and time in that area, did you have an occasion to be pulled over by the Detroit police officer on that date?
Yes.
And on that date, were you asked to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, I was.
Couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
And why is that?
I don't have a driver's license.
Very well. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That is a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. And also that will be dismissed upon completion of 12 hours community service. And with stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other two matters now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, sir. I'm going to give you till May 18th to complete it. 2022, we'll set it for a review at 8:30, 8:25. You get here first, you have that stuff completed, I'll get you out first, all right?
Okay.
All right, what's your phone number, sir?
313.
All right.
41.
Say that again. Did we lose him?
Did you get all the phone number?
You said 313.
415. 2836.
All right, you got the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center over there?
No, it's not. All right, I'm ready.
All right, that's 313-879-2155. Contact Mr. Phillips. He's over there.
2195.
2155. 879-2155. That's 313-879-2155.
Okay. You said get in touch with Mr. Phillips?
Mr. Phillips, this afternoon, he'll set you up. You get those things complete, we'll close all this stuff out, all right?
All right.
Have a great day, sir.
Thank you. You as well.
All right, thank you. Raina?
Yes, sir.
You need an interpreter, sir?
Nah.
All right, how do you give me the pronunciation of your first name?
Elioma.
Elioma.
Yeah.
Elioma. All right, very good. Mr. Kennedy, you're free to leave, sir.
Let me see. Did we pass my papers, also? Yeah, I did my community service, man. My 20 hours.
Oh, you got on community service, doc? Let's see.
Yeah, but they said if it doesn't show up as there, they said to call this number.
I don't see him on the docket this week. Community service docket.
Yeah, this is basically the paper right here. They said the laptop is acting up.
Mr. Phillips?
Yes, John.
You have something about Mr. Eliomer Reyna as far as community service? He says he has a number. He said he completed his community service.
This review was supposed to be on a Friday, 3/16 of last month. He's supposed to be doing 20 hours.
Yeah, he said I don't. Did he complete the 20 hours? Do you have confirmation that he completed 20 hours?
I have to look into that. I haven't got that in front of me right now. Can I?
Why don't you give him the number you have, Mr. Reyna, and then he can verify those hours.
Okay, I say, well, the phone number?
Yeah, that you can verify the hours.
Okay, it's 313-841-4447.
Are you laying down, sir?
Is that what Urban Neighborhood Initiatives, Eliomar?
Yeah.
Your Honor, generally we can verify Urban Neighborhood Initiatives. That's one of our partner agencies. So if Eliomar did his work there, we should be able to verify that this afternoon.
Well, can you call now so we can get him out of here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have somebody
I will
give
take
him a
care of
call
that.
now, and then we'll call his case and get him out of here.
Got you. I will call right now, Your Honor.
Okay, Gutierrez. Guadalupe Gutierrez.
Guadalupe, señor Guadalupe Gutierrez.
Sí.
Yes.
You need an interpreter?
Necesita intérprete, señor.
Sí.
Yes.
All right.
Muy bien.
Sí, oiga.
Hold on a second, sir.
Momento, señor.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit versus Guadalupe Gutierrez, case number SP1262126, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Esta es la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Guadalupe Gutiérrez, casos SP 126, 21, 261, 262 y 263. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Forgive me again, Mr. Berry, for talking through you. Sir, would you state your name?
Buenos días, señor Bosman, representando al señor Gutiérrez. Discúlpeme, señor, por favor, Gutiérrez, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Guadalupe Gutiérrez.
Thank you. Good morning.
Gutiérrez. Gracias, buenos días.
All right, let's get him arraigned.
We will waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint for arraignment purposes, Your Honor.
Él está aquí
Please
para
not
una
guilty.
lectura de cargo. Sí, y cedemos la lectura de cargo, su señoría.
All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, and I'm gonna give him a $0 bond.
Ok, le vamos a someter una declaración de culpabilidad en nombre de su cliente y le vamos a dar una fianza de $0.
What's your client's date of birth?
¿Cuál es la fecha de nacimiento de su cliente?
No.
Sir, what's your birthday, please?
Señor, ¿cuál es su fecha de nacimiento?
Es el 9/28 del 80.
9/28/80.
He's got a number of tickets.
Él tiene varios tickets.
Yeah, we're not even gonna entertain him in the program.
Ok, nosotros no lo vamos a considerar para el programa.
He's got a felony ticket from he needs to contact Judge Roberta Archer. He's got a felony warrant out.
Él tiene una orden de detención por un delito mayor. Él tiene que contactar a la juez Roberta Archer.
Then he's got another pending case in front of. He's not. We're not even going to entertain him. Let's get him arraigned on these matters, and let's move forward.
So we've waived the formal reading of the information and complaint, Your Honor, and stood mute for arraignment purposes. Thank you.
O si él tiene otro ticket pendiente también aquí, él no va a ser considerado para la Corte Comunitaria. Vamos a leerle sus cargos aquí para consideración de lectura de cargos. Sí, su señoría, por favor, vamos a ceder la lectura formal y continuar con la lectura de cargos.
All right, we're going to also add to this record the City of Detroit versus Guadalupe Gutierrez case numbers SP124-97571 and SP125-13011.
Your Honor, can you repeat those, please?
Yes. SP124-97571.
Okay.
And SP125-13011.
Ok, thank you. También vamos a agregar aquí los siguientes números de tickets, otros tickets más, SP124-97571 y SP125-13011.
Okay, is that July the 7th pretrial date still good, Ms. Mathis?
You're setting pre-trials, correct, Your Honor?
Yeah, just for this particular defendant.
Yeah, you can set up to 17 pre-trials, 17 people for the July the 7th. So you're good.
Oh.
It seems like you only set like a few.
Yeah, it's only been a few.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna ask for an interpreter on that. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
Yes.
Señor, usted necesita intérprete, sí. Yes.
We're gonna ask for an interpreter. We'll set aside any warrants. He needs to get the information over for Roberta Archer's court so he can get that warrant off of him over there as well.
Señor, tiene que contactar al tribunal de la jueza Roberta Archer para hacerse cargo de esa orden de detención que tiene por los cargos presentados ante ese tribunal.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay. Your Honor, July the 7th, at what time?
July the 7th at 8:30 a.m.
By Zoom?
By Zoom.
Here?
Yes. Well, he will. He's not going to come on the community court date. He'll just come on my regular court date, and I put a note that he needs an interpreter on that date.
Okay, but it's by Zoom, right?
Yes.
Okay. Señor Gutiérrez, tome nota, por favor. Tiene que volverse a conectar aquí, en este mismo número, el día 7 de julio.
Okay.
A las 8:30 de la mañana.
7 de julio,
para
las 8:30.
una consulta previa al juicio.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, está bien.
Yes, I got it, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
señor, ya se puede conectar, que tenga buen día.
Okay, igualmente, gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, let's move on to, did we get Reina? Did we get verification that he completed those hours?
Yes, Your Honor, I spoke with the coordinator at our urban neighborhood initiatives, and I was able to validate that, yes, Mr. Reyna did complete his 20 hours.
All right, this is the city of
He was
Detroit.
instructed to give us the information, and we tried to call him, so I apologize for the confusion, Your Honor.
That's all right. This is the city of Detroit versus Eliam Mir Reyna, case number SP124-93481 and SP124-93491. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Reyna.
All right, state your name for the record again, sir, please, so you can get that right. I know I messed it up.
Eliomar Reyna.
Eliomar
Yeah.
Reyna. All right, sorry
Yeah.
about that, sir.
It's all right, man.
All right, so I have confirmation you were ordered to do what, how many hours of community service was he ordered to do? I think 18 hours?
It was actually 20, Your Honor.
Yeah.
20 hours?
Yes, Your Honor, 20.
All right, and I have confirmation that you completed those 20 hours. So I'm going to dismiss SP124-93481. That's going to be dismissed. That's the misdemeanor. And SP124-93491. We're going to close out that blocking traffic. All right, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you for your community service, sir. If it's nothing further, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Mr. Honor.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Maldonado, Susana.
Susana Maldonado? No, Your Honor, that was Mr. Jose Maldonado, and we did him long time ago.
Okay. What about who's on that? The Zoom, Usurio de Zoom. Are they gone too?
¿Quién está en el teléfono que dice usuario de Zoom?
I think they're gone too.
Your Honor, I believe that was my client, Wilmer Hernandez. I think he changed his name.
Say that again.
I said, I believe that was my client, Mr. Wilmer Hernandez.
All right, I didn't know that you were waiting in here. We're gonna have to get this quiet.
Sorry, Judge?
No, there's a lot of interference. I'm gonna have to mute some of those people.
Yo, Wilmer Hernandez.
Wilmer Hernandez. And let's see where they are on the docket here.
He's here on a show cause, Judge. He had missed his initial arraignment. This was a case that was scheduled for an arraignment on March 11th initially, and then it was moved up to February 9th, and he didn't get the memo that it was moved up. He had believed that it was still on March 11th, so that's why he missed it.
William Hernandez Sanchez.
Yes, Judge.
Is he willing to do community service?
I have not discussed that with him, Judge.
Does he need an interpreter? I'm sorry.
Este es el señor William Hernández Sánchez y su señoría. Él quiere hacer las horas comunitarias. No he podido hablar con él, su señoría, todavía.
All right. Let's ask him first. Does he have a valid driver's license?
Ok, señor Hernández, primero que todo le queremos preguntar si usted tiene una licencia de conducir válida.
No la tengo.
All right. I don't have it. Is he willing to do community service? That'll be 12 hours of community service. We'll offer him an allowing. We'll dismiss upon completion of the 12 hours of community service.
Ok, señor, ¿usted está dispuesto a hacer 2 horas de servicio comunitario? Se le va a enmendar su caso de manejar sin licencia a que usted permitió que alguien sin licencia manejara, que es un delito menor al inicial, y después que complete las 12 horas de servicio comunitario, entonces le quitan el caso, será desestimado. ¿Quiere hacer eso?
Make that 16 hours of community service for the seatbelt ticket. and we'll close the seatbelt out and dismiss the allowing if he wants to take that deal.
Bueno, señor, aquí hay otro ticket por no tener puesto el cinturón de seguridad. Entonces, lo que voy a hacer es que le estoy ofreciendo 16 horas de servicio comunitario por solamente el cinturón y le quito el otro ticket de la licencia de conducir. ¿Quiere hacer eso?
No sé, me gustaría preguntarle a mi abogado ahí qué puedo hacer.
Okay, I would like to talk to ask my lawyer, what can I do?
All right, let me put you guys in a breakout room. Do you need an interpreter, counselor?
No, I can get an interpreter on the phone, Judge. It's okay.
No, we can put the interpreter in there.
You sure?
So we don't have to wait on an interpreter.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay, entonces, señor, cuando nos aparezca el botoncito azul, apriete ahí para ir a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado y con la intérprete, que soy yo.
What client, what is your name, client, your name is signed in under?
It's Wilmer Hernandez.
All right.
¿Cuál es el nombre de su cliente? Wilmer Hernández. Okay.
Join the room. All right, let's move on. What about Jesus? You need an interpreter. What's your name, sir?
Tu nombre. Jesús Antonio Mendoza.
All right. All right. Is your friend willing to do 18 hours of community service to clear this up?
Dice que si tienes quieres aceptar 18 horas de comunidad, servicio comunal. Sí. Yes.
Well, let's just do 12 hours of community service.
12 horas vas a servicio. Okay. Okay.
All right. I need a good phone number from him.
Tu número de teléfono. Pero no lo sé. 912. Tú dímelo y díselo a él y yo se lo voy a decir. ¿Cuál es tu número? 912. No. 313? No. Area code. 912. 912, that's the area code. 336. 336. 1553. 1553.
912-336-1553.
Yeah, that's correct, sir.
All right, that's his phone number?
Yes, Your Honor.
And can you write this number down so he can get in contact with the people over there at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Sure.
313.
Okay.
879.
Okay.
2155.
Can you repeat the last four?
2155.
215. What's the name? The officer name?
Miss Buenteo, Carmencita Buenteo. Speak Spanish.
Sure.
Thank you. All right, we're gonna put this on the record as soon as we get our interpreter back. It's gonna be 12 hours of community service, and we're gonna dismiss the cases when he completes the 12 hours of community service.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, hold on a second before we go.
Who has the last name?
That would be Mendoza Salas, Jesus Antonio Mendoza Salas.
Yeah.
Who's that?
James.
Is that your name, sir?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Let's call Daryl Varney. This is the city of Detroit versus Daryl Ray Varney. Case number. Let's see. Case number SP 122-41493. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Goffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Daryl Varney.
All right, Mr. Varney, what's the problem? I thought I'd given you ample time to do this.
You did, sir. I just, with work and taking care of my stepfather, it's been a little difficult. He's a double amputee.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second. We're getting some feedback. Say that again now.
With work, can you hear me?
Yeah.
And taking care of my stepfather, he just recently had 2 strokes and he's a double amputee. And he's not able to take care of himself. So
can you get it done by May 18th, sir?
Yes, sir, I can.
All right, we're gonna have you back May 18th, 2022 at 8:25. You get here first, I'll get you out first as long as you've completed your obligation. All right. Good luck to you. I pray for you and your family and your uncle as well.
Thank you, sir. Just one question, please.
Yes.
I talked to James from the Southwest Community Center yesterday, and he was trying to get me closer to my house, which was a place called Patton Park, to do my service.
I'm sure they can do that. Just call him.
Okay.
He's on the line.
Yeah,
Mr. Phillips.
Yes, we can get that done.
That's no problem, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, see you back on May 18th. Have a great day. All right, let's go back on the record. Well, let's, did we call, was that William Hernandez Sanchez?
Sí.
I don't believe we had called the case onto the record, Judge.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Ok, vamos a volver a llamar al caso para que conste en el acta del señor William Hernández. No, su señoría, yo pienso que el caso todavía no ha sido llamado para que constara en el acta. Sí, es verdad.
This is the city of Detroit versus William Hernandez Sanchez. Case numbers SP 129-02-071 and SP 129-02511. Appearance for the record, please.
Moses, I'll say it. I'm sorry, Madam Interpreter, go ahead.
Thank you. Esta es la ciudad de Detroit, llamando al caso del señor Wilmer Hernández Sánchez, número de casos SP 129-02-511 y SP 129-02071. Comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta, sí, su señoría.
Moses Al-Sayed, P number 81873, on behalf of the defendant.
Okay, mi nombre es Moisés Alfayet, número 81783, representando al señor Hernández.
All right, is your client willing to do the 12 hours community service?
It was 16 hours, Judge, and yes, he is.
No, I'll just give him a 12. We'll dismiss the speeding ticket.
Okay.
But he needs to slow down.
Absolutely.
Okay. ¿Está dispuesto su cliente a aceptar las 16 horas de community, de las 12 horas de servicio comunitario? Tengo entendido que son 16. No, voy a darle 12 porque le voy a quitar el ticket de no llevar el cinturón de seguridad.
And I know we like to test Ms. Hernandez's skills, and but we need to, let's get a little rhythm here and go one after the other. Let her interpret.
Yo sé que la señora Hernández es rápida, pero vamos a ponerle un poco, bajarle la velocidad para que la señora Hernández pueda interpretar bien. Uno detrás de otro.
All right. Can your client raise your right hand, please?
Por favor, su cliente puede levantar su mano derecha. Su cliente es usted, señor Wilmer.
The other right.
Derecha, la derecha, la otra.
All right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you. You can put your hand down, sir.
Señor, ¿puede bajar su mano?
Sir, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Señor, usted entiende que si usted no es un ciudadano americano, ¿verdad? Una condena por un delito como este puede tener implicaciones en su estatus migratorio.
Sí.
Yes.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Usted entiende que la máxima pena por este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días en la cárcel y de hasta $500 en multa.
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a un juicio si así lo quisiera.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa aparte de lo que ya se ha dicho aquí en el acta?
No, nadie más.
No, nobody.
All right, I'm going to draw your attention back to December the 12th, 2021 at around 10:59 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Michigan Avenue. Sir, did you have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day?
Ok, señor, déjeme dirigir su atención al día de los hechos, que fue el día 12 de diciembre del año 2021, aproximadamente a las 10:59 de la mañana en la ciudad de Detroit, en las inmediaciones de Livernois y la Michigan Avenue. En ese momento, en esa hora, ¿lo paró usted un oficial de policía?
Sí, así es.
Yes, that's right.
And on that date and time, sir, did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y en ese momento, señor, el oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia válida, una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí, me la pidió, pero sí.
He asked me to.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Pero no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad?
No, porque la tengo inspirada.
No, because it was expired.
All right, very well. So I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. With stipulation of probable cause, Counselor, I'll dismiss the other count.
Stipulated, Judge.
Entonces, yo lo voy a encontrar culpable del caso enmendado de haberme permitido que alguien sin licencia manejara. Y después de las estipulaciones de la causa probable, el caso será desestimado. Estipulado, su señoría, contestó su abogado.
All right, I'm going to order you to do 12 hours community service. I told you I'd dismiss upon completion of the 12 hours of community service. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Ok, señor, entonces yo le voy a poner, le voy a ordenar que haga 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Y una vez que concluye esas 12 horas de servicio comunitario, entonces se va a desestimar el caso. Necesito por ahora, señor, un teléfono donde podamos comunicarnos con usted.
313.
313.
939.
939.
06.
06
72.
72.
All right, he needs to write this phone number down and get in contact with them this afternoon at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. The number is 313-879-2155.
Ok, señor, tiene que anotar este número y tiene que llamar esta misma tarde al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria de Detroit. Anote este número, 313.
Permítame, por favor, disculpe.
Allow me, please.
Your Honor, I have the phone number. I can give it to him off the record.
All right, very well.
Señoría, yo tengo el número de teléfono. Yo se lo puedo dar a él después. Ok, muy bien.
All right, if it's nothing further, I'll give you till May the 25th, 2022 to complete those community service hours. You need to get in contact with them this afternoon.
Ok, señor. Entonces, yo le voy a dar hasta el 25 de mayo del 2022 para que usted complete esas horas de servicio comunitario. Y usted tiene que comunicarse con el Centro de Justicia Comunitaria esta misma tarde.
And Your Honor, if he completes the community service, would my appearance be necessary?
No.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay. Su señoría, si él completa las horas de servicio comunitario, yo necesitaría comparecer ese día, no, abogado.
Okay, nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, you and your client.
Thank you, Judge, you as well.
Nada más, su señoría, tanto usted como su cliente tengan un buen día. Señor Hernández, se puede ya desconectar.
¿Puedo hacer una pregunta?
May I have a question? May I have a question?
Yes.
Sí.
Solo que mi dirección, a mi dirección donde yo vivo, nunca me ha llegado una carta de corte. Creo que las envían a otra dirección. Y quisiera darles mi dirección.
I have never received a letter from the court in my the address where I reside in. I believe they have been sent to another one. I would like to give the court my address.
All right, what's your address, sir?
Okay, señor, ¿cuál es su dirección?
1255 Crawford Street.
1255 Crawford Street.
Spell the street.
It's Crawford,
Señor,
Judge.
por favor,
CRAWFORD.
Okay, Crawford Street,
okay,
Detroit.
Crawford. ¿En la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí, Detroit, Michigan.
Detroit, Michigan.
48209.
48209.
All right, we have that. All right, thank you so much, sir. I'll see if we can get that changed.
Okay, señor, muchas gracias. Yo veré que la cambien.
Okay, está bien.
Have a great day.
You.
Thank you, Judge. Take care.
Día. Gracias, su señoría. Que tenga buen día.
Gracias.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. Mrs. Villarreal is here. So
Okay,
I'm leaving
very
and
well.
she's going. Okay, nice
All
to
right.
have you. Nice to see you. Bye-bye.
Always nice
Thank
to see you.
Bye-bye. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Villarreal.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Ms. Villarreal, I don't see you on the screen, but I hear you.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will, well, let me pull up the proper language. Hold on. I should have it memorized by now, but I rely. All right. Raise your right hand, please.
Yes, sir.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, can you state your name for the record?
Evelyn Villarreal, State Certified Court Interpreter.
Very well. Okay, Mr. Jesus Mendoza Salas, he needs an interpreter.
All right.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jesus Antonio Mendoza Salas, case numbers SP 133-05201 and SP 133-05221. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamar el caso de Jesús Mendoza Salas, números de caso SP13 216751 y SP13 216752 y SP13 3052 21 SP13 305201. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Jesús Antonio Mendoza.
Jesús Antonio Mendoza.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Mendoza.
Y soy Otis Berry Jr. aquí representando al señor Mendoza.
All right, we've talked, Mr. Mendoza we talked off the record, he's willing to take a deal of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, do the 12 hours of community service, and with stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así que ya hemos hablado con el señor con respecto a este asunto y si el señor Mendoza está dispuesto a declararse culpable de haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia a conducir, le daríamos 12 horas de servicio comunitario y si hay causa razonable a la cual indica el abogado, desestimamos el otro caso.
Is that correct, Mr. Mendoza Salas?
¿Es eso correcto, señor Mendoza Salas?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please, sir?
¿Y puede, por favor, usted, señor, levantar la mano derecha?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir.
Ya usted
Sir,
puede bajar la mano, señor.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted, señor, que la pena máxima posible en este caso serían 93 días en la cárcel y o una multa máxima de $500?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y entiende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted renuncia ese derecho constitucional de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado y que ya consta en el acta?
No.
No.
You understand that a conviction for a misdemeanor offense, if you're not a United States citizen, can potentially implicate immigration issues?
¿Y comprende usted que una condena de un delito en los Estados Unidos, si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, puede afectar su estatus inmigratorio?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention to March the 19th, 2022 at around 9:10 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Federal Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Y que ahora le llamo la atención, señor, a la fecha del 19 de marzo del 2022, aproximadamente a las 9 de la mañana, en la ciudad de Detroit, en las calles de Livernois y Federal. ¿Tuvo usted oportunidad de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
And then, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license, sir?
¿Y ese policía le pidió a usted que le diera una licencia válida de conducir, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Y eso usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto?
No.
No.
Why is that?
¿Y por qué es eso?
No tengo licencia.
I don't have a license.
Okay, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, order you to do 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion of that 12 hours of community service. And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other count now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así que acepto su declaración de culpable al cargo modificado de haberle permitido un chofer sin licencia a conducir. Le doy como su pena 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Una vez que las haya cumplido, el caso queda desestimado. Y en este momento puedo desestimar el otro caso si el abogado está dispuesto a decir que hay causa razonable. Sí, así lo indico, su señoría.
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. I've got your phone number, sir. I'm going to give you till May the 25th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. to complete those hours. I've given you the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Give them a call this afternoon, okay?
Thank you.
Bien, señora, así que le voy a dar a usted
my
el
first time
25
coming
de
this way.
mayo del año 2022.
Hold on a second, sir. Sorry about that, Ms. Villaroo.
Thank you, Your Honor. Así que le doy a usted, señora, hasta el 25 de mayo del 2022 para que cumpla sus horas de servicio comunitario. Y si no las ha cumplido, necesita comparecer ese día a las 8:25 de la mañana. Ya le hemos dado el número de teléfono del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit. Llámelos esta misma tarde.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good
Bien,
luck
que
to you.
pase usted buen día, señor. Buena suerte a usted. Thank you. I wish you the same.
All right. A-list. A-list iPhone. All right, let's move on. What about Christina Aguinaldo?
It's Christian Aguinaga.
Aguinaldo. You don't need an interpreter, do you, sir?
No, sir.
Do you want to do community service, sir?
If I can just
you're not going to be able to just pay.
That'll be better because with working.
Well, you're going to have to go to your alphabet court if you want to pay, and we'll get you another court date. If you want to take this deal, sir, it'll be 12 hours of community service, and we'll dismiss the cases.
For what tickets is this case?
Pardon me?
For what tickets is it? For what tickets is it?
Let me see before I see only 2 on the docket. Let me see what you have, if there's anything else.
It's because I know I do have a couple, but I just went to 36th District yesterday and I made a payment on one of them, but I figured I'd wait to see if I could go pay something today, and then
I wouldn't suggest you, or you got a lot of stuff. Yeah.
Did y'all give me?
Hello, Ms. Jamira, how can I help you?
I hear you.
Are you scheduled for court this morning, sir? I can't hear you.
I wouldn't suggest you go pay these, just pay these tickets, sir. You're gonna get points associated with them.
I asked if you could provide the case number on the tickets that you're speaking about.
I'm speaking about, well, it would be all of them. We would encompass all of them on here, but on the docket today is SP 1199339, counts 1 and counts 2. Oh, you got a host of tickets.
You said SP 11993.
Let's get him to his alphabet, Judge. He You would have to do a whole lot of community service in order for you to get over this hump. So let's
Okay.
get him to, who is his judge with an A? If you want to do the community service, we will accommodate you, but it's going to be a lot of hours based on all the infractions that you have.
Okay, now if I can just go to the other court where I can see how much it'll be or whatever, so I can start making payments.
Yeah, you need to go to court first before you start making payments.
Okay.
I would suggest you go to court. Let's get him to his alphabet judge, and we'll get you a. Can you call whoever has the A's, Miss Mathis, and ask them when?
Is he in court today?
Pardon me?
Is he scheduled for court today?
All right, hold on. We'll get you to your alphabet judge, and we'll get you another court date, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right, who is next? Mr. De La Rosa?
If you can't make it on Friday.
Señor De La Rosa.
What's your name, ma'am?
Sí.
Destiny Wood.
Destiny what?
Sí, soy De La Rosa.
I am Mr. De La Rosa.
All right, are you on an iPhone, ma'am?
Sí.
Espere tantito.
¿Cómo dice?
My talking.
What did you say?
All right. All right. Mute yourself, ma'am. I'll mute you until I call your name. All right, Mr. De La Rosa.
Bien, señor De La Rosa.
Sí, soy yo.
Yes, that's me.
Are you let's see what he has first.
Your Honor, I'm having trouble finding him on the docket.
If you are, I probably will be too. Ask him about his last name. What is does he have a hyphenated last name or something?
Dígame, ¿usted tiene un apellido, un doble apellido con guión? ¿Tiene otro apellido?
Es Luis Fernando de la Rosa Ruiz.
It's Luis Fernando de la Rosa Ruiz. Ah.
Does that help you?
Absolutely.
You see him?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. He's under 830 towards the bottom of the page. Last name Ruiz, R-U-I-Z.
That doesn't help me, and maybe he's not on my page.
Oh, he's right under for the 8:30 a.m. cases. Towards the bottom, it says Ruiz, R-U-I-Z, Luis Fernando.
Sí.
And I have his case number, Your Honor, if you need it.
Okay, I got him.
All right.
Okay, yeah. Good. Ya lo encontramos, señor.
Okay.
All right. Is he willing to do 12 hours of community service?
Y señor, dígame, ¿está usted dispuesto a hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario?
Sí, está bien.
Yes, it's okay.
All right.
Bien.
Oiga.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Luis Fernando de la Rosa Ruiz. Case number SP 132-16591 and SP 132-1682. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Así que estamos tomando el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Luis Fernando de la Rosa Ruiz. Números de caso SP 132165991 y SP 132168821 y 2. Que todos digan su nombre para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Ruiz.
Luis Fernando de la Rosa Ruiz.
Very.
Excuse me, Your Honor, may I
Hold on, let's stop.
I think you have the case number incorrect, Your Honor, because I have SP 13216821 for Luis Fernando de la Rosa Ruiz.
Creo que tiene el número equivocado, su señoría, porque yo tengo SP 1321-6821.
Yeah, I called SP 123. I called SP 123. 6, strike that. SP 12, strike that. SP 132-16591 and SP 132-1682, counts 1 and counts 2.
Sí, yo llamé al caso SP 13216591 y casos SP 1321682, cargos 1 y 2.
Okay, 12 hours of community service. You want to do that, sir? Can you raise your right hand, please?
Así que 12 horas de servicio voluntario. ¿Usted quiere hacer eso? Levante la mano derecha, por favor.
Ahí está la mano.
This is my hand.
All right, sir. Do you understand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
No, simplemente sí digo la verdad.
No, very simply, I'm going to say the truth.
All right, very well. You can
Muy
put your
bien.
hand down, sir.
Baje la mano, señor.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for the misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted que para la acusación que es un delito menor, la pena máxima serían 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
¿Entiendes? Sí.
Yes.
You understand that if you're not a United States citizen, then a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y comprende usted que si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, una condena puede posiblemente causarle problemas con inmigración?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, and sir, do you you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y señor, comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, ¿usted renuncia ese derecho de un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido usted algo diferente de lo que ya se ha dicho y que consta en el acta?
No.
No.
Okay, sir, I'm going to draw your attention back to March the 3rd, 2022 at around 2:41 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Whitmere and Avis Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Whitmere and which other street, Your Honor?
Whitmere and Avis.
Avis.
Entonces, señor, yo le llamo la atención a la fecha del 3 de marzo del 2022 aproximadamente a las 2:41 de la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit, en las calles de Whitmere y Avis. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Okay.
Okay.
Sí.
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license, sir?
¿Y ese policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y eso usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto, señor?
No lo pude hacer porque no tengo licencia.
I couldn't do it because I don't have a license.
Okay, very well, sir. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I am going to dismiss the other 2 tickets with the stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Bien, señor, así que acepto su declaración de culpable al cargo modificado de haberle permitido a un chofer sin licencia conducir y voy a desestimar las otras 2 boletas de infracción si hay causas razonables según lo diga su abogado. Así lo digo, señora.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, sir. 12 hours of community service, dismiss upon completion. I want you to have those hours completed by May the 25th, 2022. I'm going to set it for a review on that day at 8:25. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Así que entonces, señor, le doy a usted 12 horas de servicio comunitario a cumplir. Una vez que las haya cumplido, el caso queda desestimado. Si no las ha cumplido, necesita comparecer. Es el día de la revisión del caso a las 8:25 de la mañana, el día 25 de mayo del 2022. Ahora necesito, señor, un buen número de teléfono para usted.
Es 313-888-01-39. Luis Fernando.
Yes. Did you get that, Your Honor? Or would you like me to repeat
I got 313. I didn't get I got 8 and I missed the middle number 80139.
Yes. The middle numbers are 888.
888. 0139.
0139.
I'm getting good.
Yes.
All right. I'm getting better. All right. You need to take this number down, sir.
Ahora, señor, usted necesita apuntar este número que le voy a dar.
Permítame.
Trace.
Give me a moment to grab a pen.
Okay.
Permítame, deje busco algo para apuntar el número.
Yeah, just a moment. I need to find something to write down this number.
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Trace 879-2155.
Quiero que me lo diga más despacio, oiga.
I want you to tell it to me, but slowly.
Trace 879-2155.
2155.
Yes.
2155. Sí.
¿Dónde están? Ese es. No, pues no.
Es
313-879-2155.
Is it 313-879-2155?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, give them a call this afternoon and set those hours up. I'll see you back May 25th.
Así que usted llámelos esta misma tarde para que pueda fijar las horas que va a trabajar y lo veré a usted el día 25 de mayo.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, have a great day.
¿A qué hora?
At what time?
8:25.
A las 8:25 de la mañana.
Okay. El que, oiga, el qué fecha?
Excuse me, what date again?
May 25th.
El 25 de mayo.
5 de mayo.
May 25th.
Son 12 horas, ¿verdad, oiga?
And it's 12 hours that you said?
12 hours, yes.
Ahora sí.
¿Y cuántas horas tiene que meter uno en el día?
And how many hours do you have to work per day?
8 hours.
8 horas.
Or as many as you want. I mean, as you can only work up to 8 hours. You can set it up with them.
O las horas que usted quiera trabajar ese día, pero lo máximo que le permiten trabajar son 8 horas. Y usted puede fijar las horas con ellos cuando los llame.
Okay.
Okay.
Call Miss Buenteo this
Así
afternoon.
que usted llame a la señorita Buentello esta misma tarde.
Okay, este es el número de ella, ¿verdad?
Okay, and this is her number. Is true, isn't it? Yes.
All
Okay.
right, have a great day, sir.
Que pase usted buen día, señor.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, and thank you.
Gracias. All right. Miss Woods, have you completed your community service?
No, I did not, because I had I couldn't find a babysitter and my car broke down. But yesterday I found a church that I could do community service at, and she said that they open on the 2nd and the 4th. So I'm gonna go on the 2nd and do my 12 hours.
Did you get a driver's license, ma'am?
I can't get my driver's license unless I get these tickets off.
Well, you need to be out of the driver's seat of a car then.
I'm just sitting in the car right now. I ain't driving.
That's what they all say. You can get a driver's license. It doesn't seem like it'll affect you for getting a driver's license. Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Destiny Woods. Case number SP124-80051. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Woods.
All right, Ms. Woods, you need to go approach the Secretary of State for a license, first and foremost. Were you ordered to do the stuff with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, I am. So I can get a license without I have tickets on my name?
Yeah, you can. These tickets. I don't know about any other jurisdictions, but you don't have anything that's preventing you from getting a license at the 36th District Court.
Okay.
All right. Did I tell you to do those hours with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
No, I only got told that I have to do 12 hours in community service.
Write this number down, please. 313-879-2155. What's your phone number?
313-808-8132.
Do you live in Southwest Detroit?
Yes, I do.
All right, call them this afternoon. I'm going to give you one last chance, May 25th, 2022 at 8:25. I'm going to set it for a review to get those 12 hours done. I told you I would dismiss the case if you complete those 12 hours. Okay. Now, I want you to also get a driver's license. Somebody there will help you if you have any questions, and probably to get you set up at the Secretary of State.
Okay.
All right. If it's nothing further, ma'am, call that number this afternoon.
All right, I will do.
And I don't want to hear any excuses, Miss Wood.
I'm not. I got you.
All right.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Let's go to Oscar Cruz.
Pasamos ahora al caso de Oscar Cruz.
Aquí estoy yo. Aquí.
Yes, I'm right here.
All right, I'm trying to find him. I see a Cruz on the list, but it's not Oscar Cruz.
I'm saying the same thing, Your Honor. I'm not seeing Oscar.
Let's see. Ask him what his name is.
Señor, ¿cuál es su nombre?
Oscar Alvarez Cruz.
Oscar Alvarez Cruz. I see him now, Your Honor, right under 8:30 a.m. He's the second defendant.
All right. Are you willing to do community service, sir?
Y señor, ¿está usted dispuesto a hacer horas de servicio comunitaria?
Sí, si no hay otra posibilidad de hacer los pagos.
But I'm also able to make the payments.
Yeah, we're not going to take your money. We're going to take your community service.
Sí, pero no le vamos a coger su dinero. Vamos a pedirle servicio comunitario.
Perfecto.
Perfect.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Oscar Alvarez Cruz, case number SP 1266965, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Así que se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Oscar Álvarez Cruz, números de caso SP 1266965, caso 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Oscar Álvarez Cruz.
Oscar Alvarez Cruz.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Cruz.
Y el señor Berry aquí representando al señor Cruz.
Well, we'll offer you an allowing. We'll dismiss the other count today if you want to take the deal. And there'll be 12 hours of community service. And I'll dismiss upon completion of the 12 hours of community service.
Así que si usted quiere declararse culpable de haberle permitido un chofer sin licencia a conducir, le daríamos 12 horas de servicio comunitario, desestimamos los otros casos y este caso se quedaría desestimado también una vez que usted haya cumplido sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
12 horas.
12 hours.
Yeah, you want to take that deal, sir?
Sí, ¿quiere usted aceptar esa oferta, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Bien, ¿y puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
You can put your hand down, sir.
Ya puede bajar la mano, señor.
Sir, do you understand that a conviction for a misdemeanor offense, if you're not a United States citizen, can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y señor, ¿comprende usted que una condena de un delito menor, si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, le puede causar consecuencias con inmigración?
Tal vez. Estoy en proceso de visa U.
Well, I'm in the process of getting a visa.
All right. Mr. Boffman or Mr. who's on Barry?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Barry.
You wanna speak to him in the breakout room?
Bueno, señor Berry, ¿usted le quiere hablar en un cuarto privado?
Yes.
Or I can offer him an opportunity to come back later if he wants to speak with an immigration lawyer.
Para quizás darle la oportunidad de regresar en otra fecha, si es que le gustaría hablar con un abogado de inmigración.
Tengo mi abogado de inmigración.
I have an immigration attorney.
You want me to give you an opportunity to speak with him, sir, or her?
¿Quiere, señor, que yo le dé la oportunidad de hablar con él o con ella?
No, está bien. Yo acepto esto de los servicios comunitarios, todo.
No,
si hay algún
that's
problema,
fine. I accept this and doing the community service, everything.
I didn't hear the interpreter.
No, I accept this, doing the community service and everything.
All right. All right. The case will be dismissed upon completion of the 12 hours of community service.
Entonces, el caso va a quedar desestimado una vez que usted haya cumplido sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Perfecto.
Perfect.
All right, sir. You understand that you have you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y señor, ¿comprende usted que la pena máxima para este caso puede ser 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Sí, yo entiendo.
Yes,
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y que usted tiene
We got a lot of noise in the background.
Y que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y entiende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted renuncia ese derecho de tener un juicio?
Claro que sí.
Of course I do.
All right, has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya se ha hablado y que consta en el acta?
No.
No.
Okay, sir, I'm going to draw your attention back to October the 21st, 2021 at around 7:24 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Burner Highway and Woodmere. Sir, did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Así que entonces, señor, le llamo la atención a la fecha del 21 de octubre del año 2021, aproximadamente a las 7:24 en la ciudad de Detroit. Se encontraba usted en las calles de Verner y Woodmere cuando lo encontró usted la policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, what's all that noise in the background?
Pregunto por qué hay tanto ruido.
No sé, allá. En otro lado, en otra ventana.
It's over there. It's on the other side.
I believe it's coming from the courtroom, Your Honor.
That's in the courtroom.
Pensamos que viene de la sala del tribunal.
No, no mía.
Miss Mathis?
Just one moment.
Yeah.
We got a lot of, we can't, the stenographer cannot understand. There's a lot of noise in the background back there.
Okay, let me mute myself. Sorry, I got a phone call.
All right, that's all right, no problem. All right, so, sir, on that date and time, do you have did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Así que para esa fecha y ese momento, el policía le preguntó a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir.
Sí,
Yes.
Pero la mía estaba tirada.
Yes, but mine was expired.
All right, very well. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm going to order you to do 12 hours of community service. I will dismiss that upon completion of the 12 hours of community service, and I'll dismiss the other count with the stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Bien, así que, señor, acepto su declaración de culpable al cargo modificado de haberle permitido a un chofer sin licencia conducir. Le doy a usted 12 horas de servicio comunitario y este caso queda desestimado una vez que usted haya cumplido sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario. También voy a desestimar el otro cargo que usted tenía si el abogado está dispuesto a decir que había causa razonable. Hay causa razonable, su señoría.
Okay, sir, I'm going to give you till May 25th to complete those community service hours. I'm going to dismiss the other count, and I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Así que, señor, le voy a dar hasta el 25 de mayo para que usted pueda cumplir esas horas de servicio comunitario, las 12, y voy a desestimar el otro cargo que usted tenía contra usted. Y ahora necesito que usted me dé un buen número de teléfono para usted.
313-333-4944.
So I got 313-333-4944.
Yes.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And you need to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Y usted ahora necesita apuntar el número del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Trace 879-2155.
Acá.
Call them this afternoon, sir.
Llámelos esta misma tarde, señor.
Una pregunta.
I have a question.
¿Hablan español en ese número de teléfono?
When I call that phone number, will they speak Spanish?
Yes, call Miss Carmencita Buenteo.
Sí, pida a la señorita Carmencita Buentello.
Buensello.
Buentello.
Sí.
Yes.
Ajá. ¿Eso es todo?
Is that it?
That's it. Have a great day.
Que pase usted buen día.
Thank you very much. Have a great day too.
All right.
Thank you very much. Have a great day too.
Diego Martin Ramirez.
Diego Martin Ramirez.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Did you ever get that new date?
What new date?
You said you were gonna get a different
Ms.
date for me to
Mathis?
come to.
Yes, Your Honor.
We need to send Christian, he's at the top of 830, Christian Aguana to his alphabet judge. He's got a lot of matters, and he's going to contest the matters or see if they can work out a deal over there. We need to get him a date, a pretrial date in front of whoever his alphabet judge is, which would start with an A, please.
Okay.
All right. Let's go with, is this Diego Martin Ramirez there?
¿Está Diego Martín Ramírez aquí?
Okay, let's go with Ana Flores.
Entonces vamos a pasar al caso de Ana Flores.
Sorry, Judge, it's actually for my sister-in-law. It just says my name on here. She's Leiby Karina Flores Ortiz.
Leiby. Okay. Does she need an interpreter?
Yes, she does.
Is she willing to do community service?
¿Y ella está dispuesta a hacer servicio comunitario?
¿Esta tarjetita que tengo aquí?
Is it this little card I have here?
Sí.
Yes.
Es el mismo teléfono que están dando.
It has the same phone number that you've been giving out.
Yeah, did you do it?
Sí, ¿y usted lo hizo?
No.
No.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Leiby Flores Ortiz, case number SP 126-15691. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. El caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Leiby Flores Ortiz, número de caso SP 126-15691. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Leiby Karina Flores Ortiz.
Leiby Karina Flores Ortiz.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant.
All right.
Buenos días, señoría. Soy Harry Boffman, representando a la acusada.
All right, do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Y señora, ¿tiene usted una licencia vigente de conducir?
No, ya la tengo expirada.
No, it's expired now.
All right, 12 hours of community service I'll offer you, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'll dismiss the 12 hours upon completion of the community service. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon completion of the community service.
Bien, señora, entonces le pido a usted que se declare culpable de haberle permitido un chofer sin licencia y por eso le pido que haga 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Una vez que las haya cumplido, voy a desestimar el delito menor.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, you want to do that, ma'am?
¿Y eso es lo que a usted le gustaría hacer, señora?
Sí, se lo quiere hacer.
Sí.
Yes.
Okay.
Bien.
Now, can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, lo juro.
All
Yes,
right,
I
you can put your
swear it.
hand down, ma'am.
Ya usted puede bajar la mano, señora.
Ma'am, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense could potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y señora, ¿comprende usted que si usted no es ciudadana de los Estados Unidos, una condena de un delito menor puede tener la habilidad de causarle problemas con inmigración?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial, ma'am?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio, señora?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
¿Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted va a renunciar ese derecho de un juicio?
Yes.
Yes.
You understand, has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya se ha dicho y que ya consta en el acta?
No.
No.
And do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y comprende usted que la pena máxima posible para este delito serían 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, let me draw your attention back to October the 19th, 2021 at around 6:17 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Lane and Lawndale, ma'am. Did you have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day?
Así que, señora, permíteme dirigirle su atención a la fecha del 19 de octubre del 2021, aproximadamente a las 6:17 de la mañana. Se encontraba usted en la área de las calles de Lane y Lawndale en la ciudad de Detroit cuando se encontró con un policía del departamento de policía de la ciudad de Detroit.
Yes.
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y ese policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
Y eso usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto, señora?
No, no lo pude hacer.
No, I couldn't do that.
Why is that?
¿Y por qué es eso?
Que mi licencia estaba expirada.
Because my license had expired.
All right, I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, order you to do the 12 hours of community service, and I will dismiss the case upon completion of the 12 hours of community service. I need a good phone number from you, ma'am.
Bien, así que entonces acepto su declaración de culpable al cargo modificado de haberle permitido a un chofer sin licencia conducir. Le voy a pedir que cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Una vez que las haya cumplido, voy a desestimar el caso. Necesito que usted me dé un buen número de teléfono.
¿Le puedo dar el número de teléfono de mi hermana porque ella habla inglés y yo no?
May I give you the phone number for my sister because she speaks English and I don't?
Certainly.
Claro.
313-903-1522.
Too quick for me, Miss Villaroo.
All right. It's 313-903-1522.
Okay. All right. I'm going to have her write the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Is 313-879-2155.
Y ahora le voy a pedir a usted que usted apunte el número de teléfono del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit. Y ese número es el 313-879-2155.
Ok, está bien. Ya lo anoté.
That's fine. I've noted it.
Okay. If there is nothing further, then you have a very good day. Call them this afternoon.
Le deseo a usted muy buen día, pero llámelos esta misma tarde.
Ok, tengo una pregunta.
Okay, but I have a question.
Si yo completo mis 12
Make sure
horas.
that's done by May the 25th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m.
Y usted necesita cumplir esas horas para el 25 de mayo.
Ok, y
comparecer ese día a las 8:25 de la mañana.
Oh, tengo que regresar otra vez ese día aquí, así como hoy.
Okay, so I need to return here on that day, just like today.
Yes. See.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day, ma'am. Call them this afternoon.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right.
Gracias, señora. Y usted llámelo esta misma tarde.
Okay, está bien. Thank you.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
All right, who's on that iPhone?
¿Quién es que tiene el teléfono, el iPhone?
Judge, this is Madam Clerk.
Yes.
I have that pre-trial date for Judge Holmes for, I think it's Christine Aganega.
Yes.
It's going to be
Christian Aganaga.
Christian Aganaga.
Okay. Mr. Aganaga's court date is going to be May the 1st at 1:45 p.m.
May 1st.
For pre-trial.
At 1:45?
Correct.
You said 1:45 with what judge?
Judge Shannon Holmes.
What is it again?
134.
Hold on, sir.
Judge Shannon A. Holmes.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Courtroom, give him this courtroom and the Zoom ID.
Okay, the courtroom is courtroom 133. Zoom meeting ID number is going to be 360. 133.
Okay, so
0 0 0 0. Okay?
So May 1st at 1:45 with Shannon
No,
Holmes.
May the 11th.
May the 11th. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right. Who's on that iPhone?
Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
I got you, Emily Cervantes. Let's go. Let's see what
Yes,
Miss Cervantes has.
So I actually had my arrangement for April the 13th, but I didn't show up to the Zoom, and they told me to come in today. So that's why I'm here for my arrangement.
Well, did you've already been here before, right?
No, I wasn't able to come in that day. So they told me to come in today. I called the courtroom and
this is the city of Detroit versus Emily Cervantes, case number SP 1267517, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Cervantes.
All right, you've never been in front of me before, Ms. Cervantes?
No, Your Honor.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
All right. Do you have a valid driver's license?
No, when I got pulled over that day, I showed.
I didn't ask you a whole story, ma'am. Just yes or no?
No, I showed my permit.
You got a driver permit?
Yes.
Do you have valid insurance?
Yes, I do.
All right. When are you going to get your valid driver's license?
I actually have my test coming up.
When is that?
It's next week on Wednesday.
All right. I want you to come back in 2 weeks with a valid driver's license, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. And bring the proof of insurance. I'm going to have you back.
I have the insurance right here, actually.
Well, just bring it back when you come.
Okay.
I'm going to set this for a pre-trial. Let's arraign her right quick.
Yes, Your Honor. The defendant would not waive the reading of the information, stand mute, Your Honor.
Okay. I know it's been a long morning. We're gonna waive the we're gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, $0 bond. We're gonna set a pretrial for May the 11th, 2022 at 8:30. Bring in a valid driver's license and insurance. All right, ma'am?
Okay, Your Honor.
Come back first thing that morning. We'll get you out real quick, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day. All right, Mrs. Hernandez.
Bien, señora
Idala, Laura Hernandez.
Idalia Lara Hernández.
Sí, estoy aquí.
Yes, I'm here.
You need an interpreter, ma'am?
¿Y usted necesita intérprete, señora?
Sí, por favor.
Yes, please.
All right, are you willing to do some community service, ma'am?
Y señora, ¿está usted dispuesta a hacer algunas horas de servicio comunitario?
Sí.
Yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Ideala, Laura Hernandez, case number SP 1322986. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Idalia Lara Hernández. Números de caso SP 1322986, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Buenos días, su señoría. Soy Harry Boffman, representando a la acusada. Diga su nombre, por favor, señora.
Idalia Lara Hernández.
Idalia Lara Hernández.
All right, do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Y señora, ¿tiene usted una licencia vigente de conducir?
No, no tengo.
No, I don't have one.
All right, you want 12 hours of community service. We'll dismiss upon completion of the 12 hours of community service, and we'll dismiss the other 2 counts upon stipulation of probable cause. You want to take that deal, ma'am?
Así que, señora, entonces, ¿quiere usted declararse culpable y que le demos 12 horas de servicio comunitario? Y entonces, cuando las haya terminado esas horas, desestimamos este caso, más desestimamos los otros 2 cargos si hay causa razonable que indique su licenciado.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
Can you raise your right hand, please, ma'am?
¿Y puede usted levantar su mano derecha, por favor, señora?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down, ma'am.
Ya puede bajar la mano, señora.
Ma'am, do you understand that the maximum, if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y comprende usted, señora, que si usted no es ciudadana de los Estados Unidos, una condena de un delito puede causar consecuencias con inmigración?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted que la pena máxima para estos cargos serían 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Entiendo.
I understand.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted renuncia a ese derecho de tener un juicio.
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya se ha dicho y que consta en el acta?
No.
No.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to draw your attention back to March the 3rd, 2022 at around 3:25 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of John Cronk and Martin Streets. Ma'am, did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Bien, señor, entonces le quiero llamar la atención a la fecha del 3 de marzo del 2022 a las 3:25 de la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit. Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse en las calles de John Cronk y Martin. ¿Y fue usted, le habló usted a un policía del departamento de policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y ese policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir?
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
Y eso usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto, señora?
Así es.
That's it.
Why is that?
¿Y por qué es eso?
Porque no tengo una licencia.
Because I don't have a license.
Very well, ma'am. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive or you to do 12 hours community service. I told you I'd dismiss upon completion of the 12 hours of community service, and with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other 2 matters now.
Bien, señora, entonces acepto su declaración de culpable al cargo modificado que usted le permitió a un chofer sin licencia a conducir. Le pido a usted 12 horas de servicio comunitario y este caso queda desestimado tan pronto usted haya terminado sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Y si hay estipulación a causa probable, desestimo el otro cargo.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I get the stipulation?
Stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Así lo
Yes, Your
estipula,
Honor.
señoría.
All right, ma'am, I need a good phone number from you.
Y señora, necesito que usted me dé un buen número de teléfono para usted.
313-652-8679.
313-652-8679.
I almost had it. I was waiting on the 8679.
Yes, she spoke a little more slowly, Your Honor. I thought you might.
I got it. I was just processing the last 2 numbers.
Yeah.
She needs to write this number down. Tres 879-2155. Call them this afternoon at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Ask to speak to Ms. Buenteo.
Ahora usted apunte este número que le voy a dar, el 313-879-2155. Llámelos esta tarde. Ese es el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit y pida hablar con la señorita Carmencita Buentello.
I'll give her till May 25th 2022 at 8:25 to have that completed.
Así que le vamos a dar hasta el 25 de mayo de este año 2022 a las 8:25 para que haya cumplido esas horas de servicio comunitario.
Está bien, muchas gracias.
That's fine. Thank you very much.
Have a great day, ma'am.
Que pase usted buen día, señora.
Igualmente, gracias.
I wish you the same. Thank you.
Thank you. On the iPhone, who's on the iPhone?
¿Y quién es que está aquí presente y tiene un teléfono iPhone? It's mine.
Who's that?
¿Quién es que está hablando?
What's your name, sir?
¿Cuál es su nombre, señor?
The person on the iPhone, what's your name?
La persona que tiene el iPhone, ¿cuál es su nombre?
Daviance.
I didn't hear you.
No lo oí.
He doesn't need, I don't think he needs an interpreter.
Thank you.
Say that again.
Daviance.
Daviance, what's your last name?
Grant. Grant.
Oh, okay, I see you. I've been trying to get your attention for a while. I know you've been in here for a while.
Yeah,
What's so
sorry about
funny?
that. No, ain't nothing's funny. I'm just glad to get this out the way.
Well, it's not out the way yet.
Yeah, right. You're right. But I've been trying to get a hearing for a minute, rather.
You want to do community service, or you want to contest a ticket?
Pardon?
You want to do community service, or do you want to contest a ticket?
What do you mean by contest the ticket?
Go to trial and fight it. Let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Daviance Lamar Grant. Case numbers SP1202700, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Grant.
Yeah, well, is Mr. Goss there?
No, he is not, sir.
He's got a careless driving. I imagine Mr. Goss is going to want him to go to the Michigan Defensive Driving Course.
What time was he scheduled for court, sir? I mean, Judge. Sorry.
He's scheduled at 8:30.
What's his name again?
Grant, Daviance Grant.
Okay, Davion Grant. Let me see if it's a.
I see that the thing, he's got a careless driving. I think that Mr. Goss has wanted him before he gives an offer to go to the Michigan Defensive Driving Course.
Yeah, I wasn't driving.
Excuse me. Yes, Your Honor, you're correct. Attorney Goss recommended Michigan Defensive Driving Course.
All right, what are you going to say, Mr. Grant?
I was just saying I wasn't driving carelessly.
Well, you want a trial date and fight it, or what? What do you want to do? Do you have a driver's license?
I don't.
Please select the Detroit Defensive. I'm going to put this information in the chat. You determine whether you want to take it or not. And then if you want, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with a lawyer, and you can talk to the lawyer about it.
Okay.
And then you'll please send me the certificate to
I can do the community service.
Hold on a second. Just hold on. Just speak with the lawyer. Here, you got that chat. Look at that chat there and take a screenshot of that. That's the class.
Okay.
Barry, are you on this case or Mr. Boffman?
I'm on it, Your Honor.
All right, speak to this young man and see what he's got going on, and then we will, that's his options.
Yeah.
It's not going to be an offer until he can, if he wants to complete the class.
Yeah, I can complete the class.
Just talk first. Talk first to the lawyer, all right? And you can tell him all about the incident. That's who you talk to about what happened on that date, all right?
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, join the room, please. Okay, Mr. Pablo de la Flor.
Pablo de la Flor, señor Pablo de la Flor.
All right.
Yes, yes.
Where is he? Okay.
He's the very last name.
Florida. Okay. Do you have insurance for this vehicle, sir?
Y señor, ¿tiene usted seguro de vehículo para este vehículo?
No.
No.
All right. 12 hours of community service.
Así que le pido 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
And we'll dismiss upon completion of the 12 hours of community service.
Y ese cargo queda desestimado cuando usted haya cumplido sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Sí.
Well, yes.
It looked like you lost a judge. Yeah. How you doing, Evan?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm good. It's good to see you.
Same here, sir.
Yeah.
It looked like my screen froze there for a moment where the judge was.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
It looked like Mr. Boffman is taking his place.
Oh.
Carlos, the judge, he'll be right back. Okay?
El juez regresa ya pronto, señor.
Sí.
Yes.
Hola.
Hola.
Quisiera saber qué ha pasado con mi caso. Yo soy Carlos Alamilla.
I'm wondering what's happened to my case. My name is Carlos Alamilla.
Good morning, Carlos. Soy su abogado.
Buenos días, Carlos.
Good morning.
I sent you a chat.
Yo le escribí por el chat. Where is he on the docket? I can't see him.
Bottom of page 1, Carlos Escalona.
Ah, I see it. Carlos Escalona, yes.
Sí, colocaron mal mi nombre.
¿Tienes papeles su registración y insurance, seguridad?
¿Seguro? ¿Seguro de vehículo? ¿Y qué otra cosa?
La matrícula.
please repeat what you
Hearing.
said his charges were? His
Charges are
no insurance and what else?
No registration, excuse me.
And no registration. Ajá. No tenía el carro registrado y no tenía seguro de vehículo. Son los cargos.
Estaba vencido. Entonces el juez me dijo que me contactara hoy ya con las placas y el registro vigente.
It was
El seguro
expired, and so
vigente.
I was told, the judge had told me to come back. Con las placas?
Y el seguro vigente.
With my license plates and my insurance up to date.
Okay, I'm back.
Bien, ya volví.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
I can speak for myself. I would take the class, sir.
Wait a minute. Counselor?
We had a misunderstanding. He don't he said
No,
I
wait
could
a
speak
minute.
with someone else.
You say what?
The counselor meaning counselor had a misunderstanding and I could handle the case for myself, meaning he don't need to speak for me.
How do you have a misunderstanding with somebody that's trying to help you?
I don't understand. Man, I'm pretty sure you had a misunderstanding with someone that's trying to help you before.
And I'm not your man. I'm the judge. So listen, what's the issue?
I would like to take the class, so I could get the defense driving class. I would like to take that.
All right, did you see the defensive driving class in the chat?
Yeah, I took a screenshot of it.
All right, and you got all the information of who to send the stuff to, right?
All the information to send the stuff to? No, I don't.
It's in that screenshot you took.
Well, then yes, I have it then.
I'm gonna have you back July the 7th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
July the 7th.
I want you to take good notes on the class. If you take good notes on the class, then they can potentially offer you a better offer than something that has points. So be expected to be asked questions about the class and what you learned, all right?
Absolutely.
The better you do, the better the deal will get, all right?
All right.
All right, have a great day, sir. July the 7th, 2022 at 8:30.
Okay.
All right.
I'll be receiving mail upon it, yeah?
No, you're not gonna receive any mail. You may not. You may receive some, but you got the information now, so you need to write it down.
I mean, if it's July, I was supposed to receive an ID number and some other type of stuff, right? How am I supposed to enter a chat? I'm going to 36th district.
Listen, you got the chat now. How old are you?
So I entered the same chat.
How old are you, sir? Yes, how old are you?
So I entered the same chat on July 22nd.
Do you understand what I'm asking you?
No, that's what I'm trying to get understanding.
I said, how old are you?
No, before then, you said
I asked you a question. How old are you?
I'm 27.
All right. Now you have the information on that you may or may not get a notice in the mail. I would not rely on the notice. I want you back July the 7th, 2022 at 8:30 in the same chat room as you have today, okay?
All right.
Do you have any questions?
I ain't got no questions for you, man.
What did I tell you about calling me man? Don't do that again, please. Have a great day, sir.
You too.
Let's get Mr. Who do we have next? So Pablo, Florida.
Sí.
Sí, yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Pablo de la Flores, Florida. Case number SP 1322135, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Así que este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Pablo de las Flores, Florida. SP 1322135-1, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Sí, Pablo de la Flor, Florida.
Yes, Pablo de la Flor, Florida.
All right, sir, you indicated that you wanted to do 12 hours of community service.
Y señor, usted nos indicó que usted le gustaría hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
All right, I'm going to dismiss upon completion of the 12 hours of community service.
Bien, entonces cuando usted cumpla sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario, yo desestimo este cargo.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
All right, sir, can you raise your right hand, please?
Y señor, ¿puede levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, completamente.
All right,
Yes,
you can put your hand down, sir.
Ya
Sir,
puede
you
bajar-
understand a conviction for a misdemeanor offense, if you're not a United States citizen, can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y señor, ¿comprende usted que una condena para un delito menor puede causarle problemas posiblemente con inmigración?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial, sir?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio, señor?
Sí.
You
Yes.
understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
¿Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted renuncia ese derecho de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha prometido usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos dicho y que consta en el acta?
No.
No.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
¿Y comprende usted que las penas posibles máximas para estos cargos serían 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
Sir, let me draw your attention back to March the 3rd, 2022 at around 12:48 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Springwells and McGraw. Sir, did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Entonces, señor, permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 3 de marzo del año 2022, aproximadamente a las 12:48 en la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit, en la área de las calles de Springwells y McGraw. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Sir, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y señor, ¿ese policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara a él una licencia vigente de conducir?
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y eso usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto, señor?
No, no la tengo.
No, I don't have it.
All right, and why you don't have a license? All right, I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm going to order you to do 12 hours of community service. I told you I'd dismiss upon completion of that 12 hours of community service. And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other count.
Bien, señor, así que voy a aceptar su declaración de culpable al cargo modificado de haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia a conducir. Yo le había dicho que le iba a dar 12 horas de servicio comunitario y que voy a desestimar ese cargo tan pronto usted termine sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Y si hay causa razonable, entonces también voy a desestimar el otro cargo contra usted.
Sí, muchas gracias.
Yes, thank you very much.
Can I get that stipulation, counselor?
me da esta estipulación, licenciado.
Who's representing Mr.
Stipulated, Your Honor. I'm
All right, very
sorry.
well.
¿Quién está representando a este señor?
All right, I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Bueno, necesito un buen número de teléfono para usted, señor.
¿Será el mío o le puedo dar el de mi hermana que habla más o menos inglés o se ocupa que habla español? Como yo no hablo inglés.
Mine or my sister's, she speaks a little English.
Yours is fine. We have Miss Buenteo who speaks Spanish.
Usted me puede dar su propio número de teléfono porque nosotros tenemos a la señorita Buentello y ella habla español y inglés.
Sí. Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay,
Es
thank you very much.
3113-412-6082.
I didn't get that.
313-412. I'm going to ask him to repeat it also, Your Honor. ¿Me lo puede repetir, señor? 313.
Sí, 313-412.
6082.
6082.
Okay, 313-412-6082.
All right, he needs to call Trace 879-2155 this afternoon and speak to Miss Buenteo.
Así que, señor, usted necesita llamar esta misma tarde al número 313-879-2155 y pida hablar con la señorita Buentello en el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
El número es 3113-879-2155.
And it's the number 313-879-2155.
¿Y el nombre de la señorita cómo se llama?
And what is the name of the young lady?
Miss Carmencita Buenteo.
Se llama Carmencita Buentello.
Sí, está bien. Muchas gracias.
Yes,
All
that's fine. Thank you very much.
Have a great day, sir. Get in contact with them this afternoon. I'll give you till May 25th, 2022 to complete those community service hours at 8:25. I'll see you back.
Bien, señor. Entonces le doy usted hasta el 25 de mayo del 2022 a que cumpla esas horas de servicio comunitario y lo vuelvo a ver usted ese día, el 25 de mayo a las 8:25 de la mañana. Usted llame a la señorita esta misma tarde.
Sí, son 12 horas, ¿va?
Yes, and you did say 12 hours?
Yes.
Sí,
Okay.
12
Sí,
horas.
está bien. Sí, está bien.
Yes,
Muchas
that's
gracias.
fine. Thank you.
Sí.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Que pase
Muchas
usted un buen
gracias.
día, señor.
Igualmente, bendiciones.
Same to you and many blessings.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Bye.
All right, Carlos Escalona. This is the city of Detroit versus Carlos Escalona, case number SP1259837, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bien, entonces ahora llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Carlos Escalona. Número de casos SP1259837, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Carlos Miguel Alamilla Escalona.
Carlos Miguel Alamilla Escalona.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Escalona.
Y soy Elwood Berry representando al señor Escalona.
Hi, good morning.
All right, do you have registration and insurance for this vehicle, sir?
Señor, dígame, ¿tiene usted ya registración y seguro de vehículo para este vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, let's see those documents, sir.
Así que permítame ver sus documentos, señor.
Hold on.
Un momento.
All right, let's see what we have here. All right, very well. I'm satisfied. I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation.
Muy bien, quedo satisfecho y voy a desestimar los casos basado en que usted pudo proveernos con los documentos adecuados.
Ok, está bien, muchas gracias.
Thank you
Okay,
for your
that's fine.
patience,
Thank you
sir.
very much. Y
Que
le doy
pase
las
buen día.
gracias por su paciencia, señor.
No hay de nada.
No. It's quite all right.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Que pase usted buen día, señor.
Bye. Good.
Adios.
Adiós.
Adios. Well, that seems it's gonna do it.